How is that? Is this an audible volume? I'm gonna pop it on the table.
I've got audio.
Yeah.
It doesn't want to stand up.
It is quiet.
If I point it at myself, how's that? Yeah, I'm seeing those. I'm seeing those volume markers. They're right in the middle of that green.
Yeah, in OBS it needs to like.
You want to boost it?
Hit red.
Yeah. Okay. Do it.
Silly OBS.
There's about a 4-second delay.
Ah. Okay. Oh, right. Between now and there.
Yes.
Not between me speaking and the video or whatever. Whoa! That's such a cute screen.
Yeah,
Oh
it's
my God.
cute, isn't it?
Every time I see something like that, I'm like, dude, I want to make a handheld that's like this gallery.
Yeah.
I want to make an annoyingly small handheld.
Let me adjust the volume. How do I do it? Not like that.
The microphones is like a 5-second loop. Yeah.
Maybe I open it.
It's too long for feedback.
Not for the first 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Then it'll start getting bad.
Hello.
Oh my god, I'm so excited by this game that we're making.
It's so exciting! That's no, I definitely can't keep that up.
It's not
Is that
going
not
up,
updating
is it?
in real time? Does it have to hit apply or something? There is no apply, hey. Yeah, that's definitely not going up.
It's not updating. How do I make it go up using this?
Great question.
Oh, no, it is updating.
Oh.
Ba 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 ba. Is there a stupid limiter on this or something maybe?
Well, they can. Ooh, nice. We're live.
Yeah, filters, right? No.
Oh, no limiter.
What if you cheated and just put like a gain in the filter?
Yeah, maybe.
I can only see that going well.
It is the right one. Yeah, let's put a gain on there.
Everyone, add volunteers, developers.
Not everyone.
Whoa.
How did everyone like a couple hours ago though? Now it's tangents.
Yeah.
Blah 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 blah. Yeah. Now on OBS it's red. It's really irritating.
That is.
It's just a very misleading piece of software.
Awesome.
But will you clip it to your?
Oh, I mean, I guess I could. I was just
Yeah.
going to leave it there for the sake of me not like bumping it or whatever, or walking away with it.
When I was in charge of a super loud.
See, that's definitely going to be like super loud now, right?
Super loud. I shouldn't
It's
bother
gonna be
myself.
suitable for Twitch.
Yeah.
I'm not trying to build
Cool.
a brand.
Yeah, I think it's.
I guess the other thing that,
Always turn it down here.
yeah,
It's
true.
really easy to.
The other thing is,
like
yeah, how bad is it going to be if I like clear my throat?
You see?
Yeah.
No, but just in general, I'm a congested type person. Oh my goodness, this little clipper is so pedantic. Oh, what the fuck? How's that? No, that's not what. What if I just do like one of these? How's that?
Yeah, great.
That's pretty good. But now every time I blink, it'll be able to hear it.
I hope we can hear you blink.
That's really disconcerting.
I hope we can hear you blink.
That's really funny.
Yeah, I think we're good.
I think we're probably fine. I'll just, it'll have to be a little floppy.
Yeah. Cool.
There we go. It's not pointed directly at me, but that's fine.
Yeah, it is fine.
I
Great.
presume. Let me know if my,
You already started?
I just have to test whether it compiled and all that shit, because otherwise I would have been sad.
Okay.
Cool.
Do we have a transition?
Yeah, I mean, you can, but my name's the
I feel
one
like
that's
since I
currently in the
moved into
thing,
a
so I'm not
shop,
even
I really
really.
felt the need for all the hangout spaces. And spaces to hang out.
I'm gonna change it over to Zach's
Always
name anyway.
all the time.
Hello, sweet viewers.
My name is spelled with an H.
What? I thought you were the one without a H.
No. My full name is Zachariah.
Amazon game. Yeah, I thought I recognized that.
Yeah, she's fine. Yeah.
That's dev team.
You are the dev team. That is-
I'm the only one that remains.
Nice. Very
Hi, my
professional.
loves.
Is there
It's
anything on
nice
that?
to see you. That cute pussycat. That's my partner.
Ah.
Yeah.
I like the black sense.
So we're currently live on Twitch and
I
on
think so.
And on your tub.
on YouTube as well.
But no one can comment on your tub. So if you're ever there,
I know I still in a while, it's nice.
gambait.
Yeah, you legitimately, you can't.
Yeah. Sorry about it.
So sorry.
So what are we doing?
Today we're doing something called a hot seat game jam.
Yeah, baby.
It
The
is
seat's hot.
also our first kind of trial of doing a stream setup of this style
Yeah.
with what we have at the moment. The way that it works, it's 10-minute intervals, isn't it?
It can be whatever interval, but given we're working with like 4 people, I think 10 minutes is a good one.
There's 5 of us now.
Is it?
Yeah. We're going to be working in Unity. We are
Boo.
making...
Sorry.
No, it's all right. Unity sucks. So we're going to be working in Unity to start off with, and I think there's a few little things, but other than that, we're starting with a fresh project,
Yeah.
and hopefully by the end of the stream, we will have a game
Yeah.
of some variety.
Game in like 10 million quotation marks.
We're going to be moving people every 10 minutes. For the most part, I think we're going to be listening to what is called the Vibe Center, which is
That's all idiots
big
over there.
table.
That's the person not working.
you can like see us.
Oh, yeah, you can see
in
it.
the, in
Wait.
the real background. We're all the way down here,
Yeah.
but also like down there.
No, it's down because in the
Yeah,
the
I
stream
know, but
it's
I was
over there.
waving at the camera itself because we're also in that camera view.
Yeah. Hello, dude. Cinema.
Cinema.
All right.
Cool. So your
Should
time,
we kill it?
if
I've
you
got.
want.
I got a go.
You got it?
It'll yell at me. Yeah.
Cool. All right.
Beaut.
Excellent. Have a good day.
Everyone can see this, the stream, and the sound's all good, I assume. All right. 3, 2, 1, go. It's me. I started my timer. All right.
So, Coda, what do you know about
Where's my mouse
Zach's
at? There it is.
game dev habits?
Are we just gonna?
I'm gonna put my headphones on so that I can't hear y'all.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
I can't hear anything else either.
Give us the goss.
This is yeah.
All right. So what am I doing? I'm going to. I'm just gonna add a cube.
Well, Zach told me
Everybody
for
needs a
a
cube.
semester
Oh,
when I
really?
did Game a Week.
I'll make it like
Okay.
Yeah, I just had a lot of like
really big. No, that's the
files
collider.
with experiments in them
Scale.
that we could like rummage
Grid.
through. So a lot of like weird
That's my
vertex
terrain.
shaders and
Give me
just more shader
a
stuff, dithering, a lot
checkerboard
of post processing.
texture.
Yeah. Have you played Nth?
Oh, that's a
Zach's
pretty
game.
cute one.
No.
That's nice. I like that. All right, well, let's download
Oh.
that.
Yes.
Save
Yeah,
image
it renders
as.
at, like,
Where
360
does
by
anything go in
180.
here?
Yes.
I'll just add it to
And it forces you to
downloads.
crunch, and it's quite beautiful.
Hello,
Yeah.
downloads.
Zach,
Yeah.
that's Zach's game.
Checkerboard.
So,
Checkerbeard.
big on post processing.
.jpg.
Yeah, big on like lo-fi retro can run on the toaster.
Okay.
Whoa,
Yeah.
that's not
But
what I
Zach's first task today is character controller.
Yeah, making sure that the
Drop
game
that
is
in
somewhat
there.
interactable.
Slap that in
so
there.
that
Beautiful.
we have
That's
a
what we like to fucking
framework
see.
to build on.
Mm.
Yeah.
Material.
Should I watch?
Legacy.
Oh, yeah.
So I'm gonna.
There we go. Oh, that's the other thing we're gonna do. Project settings.
Yeah, it's a surprise.
That's true.
Is it
Otherwise,
quality?
it's gonna
No.
be
Is it
quite
player?
I'm tempted to watch the stream just to see how we're framed in this.
Color
but then
space.
when you look at the corner,
Yes. Oh, it's linear by default. Oh, God bless.
Yeah, you are not quite in frame.
Yeah,
If you
I'm just
come
kinda
closer
poking
to
it.
me.
Okay, so I'm gonna make the character also a cube.
squeaky is turned
no,
on.
not
Nice.
Yeah, object, 3D object, cube,
Oh,
player. That's nice.
hey!
That's a stream award, but don't
I hope
make
I'm not too
camera
quiet. I hope
photos.
everyone can hear me
Yeah.
just fine. Let's add a
You have like a USB.
rigid body, a little bit of drag. Alright, cool. And then the main camera, let's just sort of like put the main camera up sort of around here. Game object. Align with you. Layer.
Oh, did we set a
reset
timer?
that. Yep.
Okay.
Let's load that up to about there. What's a fun texture for the player to be? They should be like.
Just need to keep it alive.
What's a fun one? Maybe like a sort of like a kid's bedroom wallpaper. Let's go like kids
I feel like
wallpaper.
my
This one with the
changed.
moon
At
and
least my
the
game
stars
dev
is very cute.
philosophy has changed a lot.
Yeah, that's nice.
Because I'm just getting inundated with these
Yeah, let's go like a starry night
ideals
wallpaper.
of how we should
Except
do
that's gonna be
games.
the Van Gogh.
And
My ideas,
really
no ideals.
wow.
It seems like a cool creative space. All the different, share house like that. All the different people, the different directions and stuff.
Yeah.
That'd be
Oh,
very
cute.
cool.
Well, that's nice.
And I think,
I'm going
like,
to save that image as
I started in game dev always
Yeah.
being a bit obsessed with like the shiny new
Wallpaper.
technologies. And I think over the years, now that I've been doing this for multiple years, seeing how shiny new technologies are used to just like
Cool.
get a lot of
Same thing
flair and
again.
spectacle,
Diffuse.
and then are just quickly like abandoned.
That's what we
It's
like.
very rarely designed
I'm gonna make this guy kind of heavy.
or anything. Like,
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
just it's new and it looks
I'm
good.
gonna try and make it so that when you
let's, like, put
click,
front and
it, like,
center
pushes
all
him in a
our
direction.
But let's not actually build up a framework to support it
So,
for like long term.
do I want to put that on the? I guess I want to put that on the.
So I think like ray
camera.
tracing is a big one. Like it
Yeah,
came
let's put it on
out
the camera.
and engines
Call it, like,
support it. But if you
uh,
want to actually do anything with it as a
character
designer, not necessarily a
Wait, no, that's a
graphics programmer,
component, isn't it?
you're
We'll
kind
call
of
it
out of luck.
Cube
Like,
pusher.
you don't have much creative control over it because it's only been enabled at such a low level point where it's like just good enough for AAA.
Pop that idiot open. Oh, it's already opening.
Incorporate it. But they still put it everywhere.
Let's
in
get
like
rid of all
Unreal
that
Engine
boilerplate.
No.
And even Unity like flaunts it a lot. Even though like I would have no idea where to begin to like enable ray tracing.
Public float
So I
push.
find that really frustrating, and I think that's made me like that's dissuaded
to
me
like
from
10
seeing
volts.
game engines for their like newer features and much more for their like just ease of usability.
Fixed
Like,
update. I
Trying
need
to
to
minimize
get
headaches.
the.
can you tell Zach to shut up then?
What?
Hearing
just
both
mute me.
conversations is disorienting.
Just mute me. Where's-
We can't mute you from
Hang on.
this end.
How do I mute me? Can I mute just
you
me?
can just turn that off.
This guy?
Yeah, turn off that.
Hold the button down.
And what we'll do is we'll do like little check-ins maybe. And take the microphone over to you.
That's an interesting consideration. Do we want like bench talk or the streamer talking? Like it's a good balance is good.
I think it's potentially funny to not have the person currently developing talking.
That's pretty good.
I think for this particular stream type / setup, this is funny. Because like I'm legitimately covering half of the screen because I want to be able to make certain that like Zach isn't making a penis game. You know?
How do I do chat only on this?
I was planning on it, so
We can make penis game, I'm fine with
Although
that.
if none of us are watching the stream for game dev spoilers, I hope someone's watching it for like Steam production,
Yeah.
like testing.
Yeah. We have
I have
people-
chat only now.
yeah, no chat
Yeah.
as well.
chat only is a good. Noel is watching for
Nice.
For production.
possibly getting us banned off multiple platforms.
Good. Go out with a bang.
We're at 9 viewers.
What would we get banned for doing? No penises on Twitch?
No nipples, actually. I know somebody that got banned within a few seconds of a boob being on the screen.
Wow.
But you're allowed penises?
Thus far, I haven't met anybody that's been stopped from having a penis on their stream.
Is it also female presenting nipples, or is it?
We're not going back to Tumblr 2015. You know? Even Tumblr admits that was the wrong call.
Free Palestine, all cops are bastards. Okay, is
No,
the stream
it's-
still up?
Now it's stress testing.
Yeah, what other inflammatory statements can we make to?
Donald Trump
Yeah.
is in the Epstein
Going for,
files.
yeah.
I did not spell any of that right.
Well,
That's just
like-
avoiding the detection. That's smart.
Yeah, that's 5D chess what you're doing there.
Nice.
You won 2015 Tumblr Kid too. You got current
Liberate Hong Kong is a good one.
Liberate Hong Kong. Taiwan is Taiwan.
What is the worst thing that Zach has done on a hot seat game jam?
It's been years since I've done it.
Really?
Yeah, it's been a long while.
How many have you done?
I think I've done like 4.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe 3. But they've usually been done at like the end of like it's like an evening. We've already had dinner. We went to like Gongdalin, and then we're like, well, we still want to keep hanging out, so let's go to RMIT and go into one of the labs and just do a hot seat game jam. And then we'd always get kicked out at 11 p.m.
Aw.
That would like
That's nice.
that would be okay. Well, the game's done.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think there's been a lot of like camera shenaniganry, like parenting the camera to an object that's like moving in a really weird way, and now the game is like increasingly disorienting. I think the last one we did, there were like 5 cameras, so it was like your main one, and then each
Whoa.
corner had like a camera pointing in a different direction.
Okay, cool.
Yeah,
That's what I like about these kind of hot seat game jams. Anything this small scale, because you can just kind of really have fun building, experimenting with very inadvisable concepts. It's like, what is
Yes.
12 cameras? What does it look like if we're in like the tumbling machines? Like, it'd be miserable to publish. Like, everyone would hate it, but like, it's still worth exploring and discovering these things.
I
That's
actually had a lot of fun just experimenting in a thing once where I made a room in Unity, and then I made a lighting setup that was directional based that would imitate what normal maps would produce based on the direction that you're looking, and then I project that onto a blank screen. As in, like, I would have one camera that's taking that and turning it into a normal map
right.
and projecting it onto just a blank wall, and then you would explore the room, but you'd have a torch
That's 10 minutes.
Who's next?
to try and figure out what the hell you're doing. Yeah, who's next? It's Coda. Coda,
Coda.
you're up.
Time.
Bye,
So
Coda.
you need to do stream-wise is turn off Zach's name and turn your name off.
Okay. I'll see if I
Nice.
can manage.
You can have my
I
name
think
if
you
you
should
like.
be able to. Hello, Kira.
Did you add Brandon's name?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm on TV. I've been, what's the word? Not inundated,
Oh,
like brought into the cult, what's the word for that? Not inoculated, it's...
Hazed?
No, not well.
Hasn't been hazed yet. Brought into the fold.
Yeah,
Been one of us.
yeah.
Am I gonna have to make sure that the Unity audio is coming through on the stream?
Honestly,
even
I think
do
you just
that?
need to
Desktop audio.
Yeah, just
Oh,
turn
yeah.
on desktop audio. Because currently desktop audio is muted.
Nice.
Your time started.
If it's monitoring, then I have to turn monitoring off and then unmute desktop audio.
I couldn't hear myself or you through the headphones, so I don't know if it's still.
Oh, okay. Must be
Nice.
off.
Hell yeah.
Alright.
So Zach, how many hot seat game jam dev thingies have you done in your life?
Oh crikey.
Give us a bio.
Where's an exact number?
4 now, I think.
Okay.
What's the worst thing Coda does in the hot seat game jams?
I have no idea. I don't even think I've done a hot seat game jam with Coda. I mean, maybe I'm wrong about that, but I have no memory of it. Certainly nothing jumps into the front of my brain as being egregious.
Hello to Ellie and Brody who have just joined chat.
Oh, what's up, nerds?
Welcome in. What's up, nerds?
Hell yeah.
Yeah, I wish I had some juicy stream gossip. I don't.
Yeah, I want juicy stream goss.
Yeah, we've got to get to the bottom of this. We've got to get to the bottom of what's the worst thing that's ever happened in a hot seat game jam.
The thing
With
is, they've
the
all
two
gone.
people that have done it before.
They've all gone pretty good. Like mostly, it's just like the game is just kind of a mess. It's like, yeah, that happens. That's fine.
Should we get you a chair that doesn't squeak so much?
Why does someone on the stream not like this?
Me, I'm here on screen.
I like the
Person.
ASMR stream that we're doing.
It's like,
Oh my god, stream elements, we're not taking donations!
Ah, no. Well, that's something to turn something we've learned.
Yeah.
So, like, this is, I was about to say told you, and I'm just like, I didn't tell you. I'm not gonna be, just like, these are the types of things, like, that I wanted to test today, because
Yeah.
there's a whole bunch of shit of just like, I'm not gonna know.
oh yeah,
I'm not
of
gonna
the
know what's happening.
tests.
No, I don't think if the donation stuff is set up.
We tested the stream overlay. Do we have something like that?
What?
Stream, have we tested a stream overlay stuff?
We've tested the stream overlay, but we haven't got anything as far as like the sign-ups yet,
Right.
because I haven't got the final thing of that.
Nice.
Donation page doesn't load. Well, lucky we have the perfect person here.
Yay! I can use the computer.
Yeah.
Man, I wish I could use the
I know.
computer.
Have you done a hot seat game jam, Brandon?
I have. I've done one. I don't. It's probably one of yours. I don't remember the context. Like if it was a Gamer Week thing or like a whatever. I don't think we would have done one for Gamer Week, but I don't know when else I would have been around.
Yeah, I think occasionally it's been like a end of the Independent Game Week thing. We'll be like, well, we're all done, but we're all here in a lab, and we got all these pewters.
Yeah.
Let's kill it.
Yeah. But yeah, something like that. It's the first and only time I've done it. It's good. My problem when I'm making them, or I don't know if it's a problem, but it's I just add a lot of this kind of random nonsense. So like, oh, someone's adding a new gameplay mechanic,
That's
someone's
beautiful.
adding stuff, and I'm like, I'm just gonna add 100 NPCs who just stare at you and do nothing. And it's like, okay, next person's like, what do I do with this? And it's I really love doing that.
No, that's great.
Yeah.
I'm wondering. I've succeeded. I got the thing that I wanted to
Okay.
get in.
You have
into
to
the
put in
10
the character
10 minutes.
controller, right?
Yep, and I got it in there. I had in my brain. I was like, I know what I'm going to do.
Nice.
Because I wanted it to be accessible. I think it is. So I won't spoil it.
Zach,
What?
time you're going?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's interesting. It feels like the first person has to be the one to like set the direction of it. Like, what's the character? Is
A little
this a
bit,
first person game? Whatever. Is this like? Yeah, but I'm thinking it'd be interesting if the first person doesn't make a character control. They only make a setting.
I mean,
Like,
so this
that'd
is
be cool.
exactly it. It's like we're sort of working off of like precedent
Yeah.
here, but like really
You can do whatever.
you can do whatever. Like
Yeah.
it's mostly just because like Stella and myself are like fundamentally like character action
Yeah.
people. So when we start any project, even if it's like not a game jam, it's
Yeah.
like, well, what do we add first? We have a way to push a guy around.
Exactly.
Bless you, Jared.
Any squeaky chair gets the spray.
I thought that was your soda drink.
Yeah.
Having a swig of the old
It's what
40.
keeps me from being squeaky.
Yeah. When people say they're getting a 40, this is what they mean.
Yeah. Man, can you imagine, like,
Cody, you're still listed as Zach.
I told you, you have one thing to do.
Stolen valor.
Turn off Zach's name.
Oh, whoops. I forgot. The one thing I have to
I'll
do.
pause your timer.
It's me.
No, deducting 10 seconds.
Yeah. We've deducted that off your score.
Why doesn't it rotate? Rotate.
You watching this stream?
Yeah.
Spoilers.
Well, I can't
see
anything. I don't know if it will work.
Where he went?
Do you want to catch us up on what you were trying to achieve?
No.
No, that would be spoilers
That would
also.
ruin. Not until everyone has done one round.
Gotcha.
Can we do inside baseball?
Maybe that's a reason to like just talk to stream about it or something.
Hmm.
Yeah. So that people know what's going on.
Yeah, like maybe
Yeah. So
after
send
your
it-
10 minutes you talk to stream for
Hilarious.
2 minutes. Oh.
Yeah.
I think it also depends whether the streamer has something fun. They're saying like, oh, look, chat, I'm doing this cool thing I'm making, don't tell anyone. Or like, I think about like, you know, AGDQ stuff, like the streamer talking versus the couch commentator, the back and forth. I don't know.
Yeah.
But at the same time, game dev, a lot of it's just like I'm kind of silently typing stuff up. It's hard to commentate.
Yeah.
But sometimes it really is worth doing.
Yeah.
I don't know, but I don't see a good setup to like switch back and forth easily when we're trying to deliberately not listen to each other.
Yeah, I was literally just thinking like maybe it would even be worth having another person whose job is to like turn one or the other on or off based on what's happening.
Originally, the idea was that it was going to be like a producer type role. So
Yeah.
like I was going to take on that responsibility, but we're showing off that computer now, which is fine. That's good. That's what I wanted. And I have a way of like thinking about getting that done, which is something that I need to test before a stream. And I need to figure out the logistics of it myself because it's going to be a thing of just being able to go.
Yeah.
Because you need a streaming computer and a computer for the game to be built on, and capturing the the AV from
Yeah.
the
Interesting.
Remote desktoping was more or less the option that I was kind of going to.
But surely the latency on that is going to be too high.
Hmm?
Surely the latency on remote desktoping is going to be too high.
It depends on which way you're doing it.
Ah, okay.
There is,
More ad hoc ways of achieving it rather than just downloading TeamViewer.
yeah.
Makes sense.
Nice. Thankfully, whatever we go with, it's already solid. Yeah.
Like, this is working at the moment,
Yeah.
and it's a good way to try and figure out what works, what doesn't.
Stream.
Hola.
I'm coming down because I heard things and I had opinions.
Ooh.
The opinionator has
Yeah.
logged
Yeah.
in.
Specifically in regards to like the two computers for streaming stuff. I'm sure there was like a 10-second delay, so I don't know if that was the conversation you were still having.
No, it's like
Coda, 90 seconds.
Oh, nice.
90 seconds.
Who's next?
Choose.
Me, I'm next.
Okay.
Alright.
Raise is next.
Just in that, like, last year we were like, we definitely should probably do two computers the next time. Because say if something went wrong, it's just like the hosts often have too much other stuff to go on to be able to fix it. Like if it's a complete system failure and it's like, well then we don't have a host because we're not live. But if it's like a little something, then it's like too hard for the host to maybe even notice it. Like Coda's not keeping track of chat right now.
Yeah.
And in regards to like the delay, we don't need to do like screen share. We just have like a capture card feeding
Well, yeah,
the
that's
footage.
that's
No.
yeah.
And we have those.
Dope.
Yeah, let's set that up because it would be nice to be able to go in and fiddle with audio
Yeah.
settings and
Totally.
names
And
as
not
well.
get in the way of the person
Yeah.
doing
And like my
Yeah.
laptop's still down there if you need a second computer.
yeah.
Because I know last time it was so hard because I was like on the Stream Elements website trying to do what I could on there while whatever happened with the hosts.
Yeah.
One of the things that I actually have written up is that there should be a producer for every stream,
Totally.
which, yeah, setting up logistically is taking a bit of headroom for me at the moment.
Is everyone online enjoying this inside baseball?
Ah.
Enjoying how the sausage is made?
Enjoying how the stream
engaged?
sausage
4,
stream
Three,
we're not having penises.
2,
Sabby stream
One.
sausage.
Yay!
Please remember your one job. Turn off Coda's name.
Your Coda now means congratulations.
Oh, look at that.
My name on there now?
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. Nice.
I tried the best I can and try to get us banned by a chat.
I noticed.
Outside of saying doing things with our actual pronouns, which are very reasonable, I don't think I can do it.
Oh well.
Alright,
That's a new stream.
so me and Brandon still haven't been on there, but how are you two feeling about each other's work on the topics?
Thanks for the input.
Well, I don't have any. There's no two-way. It's
No,
really
it's
one
not
way.
two way, but like,
Did the thing at least work?
It works like 10% of the time.
10%?
Yeah.
That's pretty low.
Yeah, it's pretty low. We might both need to tinker with it. I have ideas, but I shouldn't be planning too far ahead.
It just shouldn't be
Ba ba
that.
ba 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 ba.
Maybe I'm clicking wrong. But it's like, it's deceptively simple code. I feel like,
Yeah.
I feel like there should be more code.
That's really funny. That's like 4 lines comparative.
It's also really funny how like,
How do I edit?
I go into some of these things being like, oh yeah, I'm gonna like muck with it this way. And then the moment I sit down, I'm like, all that goes out the window.
Yeah.
And I'm just like, oh, what happened?
I'm really excited to find out what the hell I'm gonna do because I've not touched Unity in a while. I've just been in a project management role for so long. I haven't worked on a personal project in God knows how long. So I'm gonna get in there and I'm gonna be like, what do I remember about game development? Particle systems, and you guys are gonna have to deal with that.
That's cute.
Yeah, excellent.
I like that.
Yeah.
I like there's so much in the game engine you can do without needing to touch the specifics of it, like without even opening the code or anything, like just messing
Drop
with
some
properties.
lights.
Exactly, you can get
Yeah.
so far.
Yeah.
Oh
You really can
man,
just,
I
like,
used to love making things pretty with lights.
Yeah,
mm.
yeah,
Used
mine's
to be my
That's
whole
slow.
jam.
hell yeah, love that. Yeah, because my game dev started in just level editing, like making like Team Fortress 2 and Portal maps and stuff,
Yeah,
and there's
yeah.
no engine there, like no
Yeah.
coding there, and yet you can make so much complexity.
Mm.
And it's kind of fun to try and put my, I mean I'm coding all day long, but put my headspace back into that, like just editing time,
Yeah.
and get using what I can there.
Yeah. I don't know how much time I'd spend in Blender, but I'd always be modeling objects, not like environments,
Yeah.
which I kind of wish I did more of. Because yeah,
I mean, IMO Blender is dog shit at modeling
it
environments.
is. It's not great. But I feel like
Oh my
modeling
God.
environments is always like the only tools I really want to try, they cost a fortune, are the ones where it's like we will do like hydrology on mountains and you can like manually erode and like build these ridiculous terrains using like a lot of procedural physics.
Yeah.
And I think that's really interesting.
I mean, I
It
realize
is super cool. Don't get me wrong. It is super cool.
Yeah.
But like, a flat surface is fine for me.
Sure. I just like, I've been playing Death Stranding again.
Oh, yeah.
And just like how, and like Tears of the Kingdom, Breath of the Wild, and it's like how do you actually like model out, like surely you can't just go with a flat terrain and just drop a bunch of props on it. Like this needs to have planning and like a big like sort of main map that you then augment on top of. And I'm really curious about that main map bit. Like how do you, like, I don't know, I remember
I mean,
my
that's Monolith Soft's like whole thing.
yeah.
Wait, is it Monolith Soft?
It is
Mason left ear.
The people buying like Xenoblade.
Yeah.
Mason left ear.
Maze in left ear,
Yes.
rest of us in right ear.
You.
What? Spoilers. Why are you reading stream?
I'm allowed to look
What do
at
you
the
want?
chat.
that's interesting. Like
Kaboom.
now the audience gets to decide. They can just change the audio balance, which one they want to
Yeah,
listen to. That's how we solve it.
Yeah, so true. Take one
We
headphone out.
have now
It just-
off-boarded producing to the stream watchers.
Actually, that's a pretty funny idea.
really
Just being like putting one half of the stream in one ear and one half of the stream in the other. It's like, who do you want to
Then
listen
we
to?
also do like
No, it
red.
doesn't
you
work.
decide.
We tried that last time.
We do like red blue glasses or something, so you can.
Yeah,
Yeah, we just
That's
flicker.
so
We
good.
flicker the screens every 30 seconds. You just choose when to blink.
Like that active 3D.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
That's good. Yeah, I would love to know what Monolith Soft's
Like workflows.
workloads,
Yeah.
yeah, because they've specifically been brought onto a bunch of projects to handle like authored open world generation, because that's like the thing that they know how to do.
Yeah.
And it's like it's definitely discrete from like Unreal Engine's like 256 square kilometer like procedural terrain. Like they definitely
Where's the
have like a whole lot of
downmix?
like capacity for making bespoke contiguous environments that also LOD in a way that is sensible.
Yeah. I mean, I'd be keen to try experimenting with like some kind of surrealist art practices where it's like, let's just like do paint splatters or whatever, and then now let's try and like get verticality on that
Right.
and build a terrain. Like that's like, interesting to navigate.
I mean, I think a similar tendency arises in myself whenever I like take photos of like moss piles and shit like that, where I'll be like, dude, I want to just get the fucking 3D scanner and just be like on this like tiny little moss pile, and then just like drag and drop Unreal Man in there and be like, I am walking around in tiny ferns.
Yeah.
There's no reason you can't.
Well, this is exactly it. It's like I've actually been thinking a lot recently. Like, I wonder if I can abuse 3D scanning technology to like take partial scans of an environment and then like stitch nonsense like together. So I can be like, oh, okay, I want it to start in a thing that looks like this, and it'll be like scan that area more, scan that area even more, keep scanning it, and be like, okay, now it's a tree, and I'll like start scanning the tree, and like basically just kind of extrude real life environments into a model. But I have no idea if that's how it
like
works.
doing like panorama mode on your phone.
Exactly.
You would be walking
Yeah,
in front of it,
no,
but
precisely.
like you're like
For 3D.
blocking the camera and then
Yeah.
like showing.
Yes,
That's cool.
exactly.
We should work on
Yeah, because I have no idea if that,
Yeah.
if that like actually
Yeah.
works.
that. Yeah.
But it's like a thing that I think about a lot.
I've been thinking like what would happen if I would try and do photogrammetry, but like my finger was covering part of the lens the whole time.
Right. Yeah.
Because like you'd still
Yeah.
it'd be there, but you'd still yeah. Or like digital through a weird wavy like refraction.
Yeah, because like IMO, like again, like the more like 3D modeling software I interact with, the more I'm like, I think this is all bad. Actually, I think I need to return to like clay models fundamentally.
Every time that I go into like 3D modeling stuff, I'm just like, can I just build in Minecraft and export that?
Yes, well, I mean you can.
It's really
I know.
it's very-
I found out
good
that
way
yes,
of
you
doing
can.
it.
And
Yeah.
I'm just like,
I like that the seeing online with level design and stuff. It's either that split of like these console stuff. I'm going back to like Hammer Editor, like Half-Life Maps, Quake stuff, because that stuff's good. Or the other way where it's like it's like very play stuff, just trying to still photograph other end of the scale. Because no matter which way we agree the kind of tool, like using Blender or whatever, it's not really the way to go.
Yeah.
But also that mountain stuff you're talking about, like it's been a while since I've used Unreal Engine, but like it does some really serious like terrain stuff, erosion, the procedural, you make a spline and then code it, so like around the spline, spawn trees and stuff, and then you move the spline, like it's
Yeah, the PCG tools are really interesting.
Yeah.
I just
real deep with it.
the thing that frustrates me with Unreal's built-in tools is that they're so geared towards photorealism.
Yeah.
And
really frustrating.
I want to ramp that up to 20
Yeah.
to be like, okay, now I want the trees to like grow out and then back into the ground.
Yeah.
Like I want to do ridiculous stuff with
Yeah.
it, but it's so like, oh, what? You want to do something that isn't like a
Yeah.
rock or a tree?
Yeah.
that isn't
I mean,
real.
I don't see why not, though. I mean, it sounds like you've used it more than I have, but like the way I remember it, it kind of gives you just the tools you need, like have a position, spawn whatever you want, and you can just put a loop in there and just make it do whatever you want.
Right.
Like,
I
you
think
do have to build it
I
yourself.
think I need to like understand more on the back end. Like I really get more into it. But it's like
But you're right, it is the use case.
yeah, it's annoying how it's like, here's this new procedure. It's 10 times faster if you're using it as we've envisioned it versus if you want to do anything like off the beaten path.
Yeah.
We're
Well, that's
gonna make
Unreal in
that
a
different.
nutshell.
Yeah, whereas
90 seconds.
other engines are just like, we made this new process and everything's
I'll
going
go next, unless you'd like to. Actually, I want to spend a few seconds starting I want to try a stream overlay thing I put on my website. Maybe I could get your help quickly with OBS to try it for 10 seconds.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, cool. Yeah, like a budget and trying random science experiments on the screen.
That's fine.
Yeah.
So,
I'll
I'll go next. Okay. Then you come at the end of yours. You have a brief of the first round.
I can change that.
On the other hand, I kind of, I'm tempted to go not last, so if I put something really stupid in, I want someone to have to see what I've made, like, what do I do with this? But,
I mean, we'll do multiple rounds.
Yeah.
Like,
okay,
so,
cool, then we'll
everyone should touch the program at least twice.
That's a good way to do it.
Yeah.
Nice. So I have no idea, I have no plan what I'm going to do.
No,
I have
that's
no
good.
idea what I'm going
That's,
to be
that's
picking up.
ideal.
Nice. If you don't know where you're starting, I don't know where I'm ending, or well, our powers combined, we don't know anything, or something.
And there's no reason that in the second round we have to go in the same order.
Oh, God.
So, time up.
I'll turn this mic back off because unless someone is recording with it.
Sure.
Did you have fun?
Yes.
Ooh, nice.
I'd had to remember how to use Audacity,
Audacity.
which I forgot, and I didn't manage to make the thing that I needed. So whatever.
Nice.
But yeah, I'm happy with what I added.
Hell yeah.
Yes.
That sounds like Audacity to me. It's the
Oh yeah.
Full-time
The
starts
newer
now.
versions
Yeah.
of like, change the things
in a
are.
good way or bad way?
Well, this is harder to find.
Yeah, right. Because Audacity was quite particular. I was like, you can't have to press this one in this way to pop up because you can't do that. It's nice, but it's a bit funky. But now it's streamlined. A lot of those are gone, but it's also now I don't know where things are.
Yes.
You know, Blender has a fully fledged video editing suite.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I always forget this.
So keen if they ever move into audio.
Ooh, that would make
Like
sense.
geometry nodes for audio.
Oh my
Um,
god.
That'd be
Love that.
Really?
I'm so excited.
I did add something that someone should fix.
Making
dude.
add stuff for people to make worse.
so good.
Yeah, or make worse.
Nice.
I feel like such a like intern in the company. Where it's like I'm tasked to like.
I have
add
made a
stuff,
new problem.
But
Yeah.
yeah, it's now a problem for everyone else to solve.
I'm imagining the energy. You leave something with a bug. It's like, oh god, I hope someone fixes it. Comes around to your time, and people have expanded on it, and like that's the game.
Well,
It's
yeah,
like,
if that has happened.
nice. Oh yeah.
Can we talk about what is already in the game or no?
No.
I'm still
No,
going.
okay.
I mean, you
I
can
think we
ominously
Oh,
do
yeah,
one
true,
round.
true,
I mean,
true.
you
One
could
blind
talk
round.
in
Yeah. anything that
general
raises
terms, I
intrigue
guess.
and confusion.
Yeah, exactly.
I feel like our skill tree system is coming along.
Yeah.
Nice.
Sorry, Sam.
That's fine.
Can you turn down the desktop audio a bit? Yeah, just to like half. Yeah.
I still really want one of my games to put an entire skill tree system in the menu, like character intro or something. Yeah, like my aim is this, 2 point plus 2 damage, all that RPG stuff.
Yeah.
You don't
And the
have
game-
lightning resist.
Exactly, and then the game, you get like one upgrade once and never again, and the entire tree is just there for no reason.
Yeah.
It's a good idea.
That's part of it.
There's a really good joke game that I have never been able to like find ever since like seeing it one time many years ago, where you like you're building a little chicken character,
Yeah.
and it's got a really in-depth like character creator where you get to pick all your clothes and your colors and the face for the chicken,
Yeah.
and then
I
it's
know
got,
exactly what
it's
you're talking
got a little bicycle emoji
Yeah, I know this
or
one.
picture in the corner. And you know, once you're ready, you can click on the bicycle, and the bicycle turns upside down, and it's a pair of blades, and it drops the chicken into the blades and
That's
turns
great.
you into
Yeah.
meat.
Yeah. That's can your pet.
Can your pet?
Yes. Can your pet do this?
Yes.
And then nope, it's in the can.
Yes.
That's cute.
right.
Terrifying. I love those old school Flash like
Yeah.
just
Don't,
kind of
don't shoot the dog.
yeah. I don't know that one.
It's exactly what it sounds
Yeah,
like.
I can imagine.
Have you ever made a character creator?
No.
I'm really curious about. Is it just a bunch of shape keys, like a bunch of blend? Like what?
No
And
idea.
there's so
How
many
do they-
ways to do it, especially in
I imagine
3D.
with like
Yeah.
hair and stuff, it's just different objects that get swapped out.
Yeah.
But I really like if you're like messing with the length of limbs or something. Like how is
Yeah.
that?
I think the clothes on it also adds another layer of
Yeah.
complication.
And like, is it on top of the character? Does it replace the character? And
Yeah.
then you click through it, and
It's
it's
stitched on.
because the games have had this forever, but it seems like the techniques they've used keep changing. So
Yeah.
there's just
Yeah.
no way.
I had to think about this a lot because I was looking down the barrel of like making a Monster Hunter type with Stella at some point. And I was thinking about like, whenever I like make a project, I always like start with like what are my like technical limitations. I basically like fantasy console myself. And one of the things that we decided pretty early on was like there should be no skinned meshes in the whole game.
Nice.
Everything should be made out of like rigid like pieces,
Yeah.
and they can be any like size and shape and complexity. They just can't bend. And so like all the monsters, you know, sort of like PS1 rules where it's like, oh, we're just pre-skinned mesh. You just can't deform a mesh.
Yeah. Mario
So
64.
everything would have to, exactly right, or Lara Croft, right?
Yeah.
Everything is made out of like individual bits. And then I was thinking about like how to extend that into all these other areas. And yeah, I thought about like a character creator that's basically just like complicated Lego bits where it's like, well, you want to make a hat? Okay, well, you can just take a million arbitrary shapes and arrange them until it looks like a hat. We won't give you a hat.
You've just made the like cube made out of
Yeah.
9 dots per face,
Yeah,
and then
yeah,
it
yeah,
just
yeah.
connects the polygons.
Yeah,
and it's
exactly.
Like, those are your
And
pieces.
it's like, we give the players like, okay, you have n-gons, like n-gon prisms, and you have like icosahedrons.
Yeah.
That's basically all you need.
Yeah.
Like, good luck, make whatever you want. And it's just like, oh, when you choose like face, arm, leg, body, or whatever, it just bolts it to that bone of the character controller.
That's
And then it's just like, yeah, okay, that's, you can do whatever you want. You want your character to look fucking stupid, go right ahead. But we all have like
Spore,
prefabs.
but Lego.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that was definitely felt like Spore.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
And
I
yeah,
do
it was
feel like-
really evocative to me.
Character creators sit on a sliding scale between Spore and Animal Crossing.
Mm.
It's like how
Yeah.
Animal
how
Crossing
much freedom
is
are
none,
you
pretty
given?
much. Other than
Okay.
clothes.
Yeah, it's a lot of clothes, but the clothes
Yeah.
are very like the body shape is identical, your face shape is identical, like everything is precast
Yeah.
to make it like super streamlined.
Yeah. And then in games where you have like you change armor or pick up new like
Mm.
like it's not even character customization. It's just like gameplay. I guess it's the same thing, but it's a different context. I don't know.
Yeah, I always hate playing RPGs where they give you like armor and the icon's really cool and then you equip it.
Oh,
Nothing happens
Oh.
because they didn't model it, can't be bothered.
Yeah.
What can you do?
I remember when the new Oblivion remaster came out, everyone's posting the character creators again. It's just fun seeing that they took that like that character face creator with like very few limits and just made sure to maintain its extreme expressiveness while making it high def.
Right.
So I thought it'd be really funny to post like, oh look at my wacky character, and I just create like a normal guy when everyone's posting their monsters, just a normal human to stand out. I don't know.
There's an episode of a show like that where everyone is all pigs. What is it? It's the Doran Space TV show.
Oh, yeah.
Twilight Zone?
Twilight Zone. There's an
Wow.
episode of Twilight Zone.
Mm.
Where,
They don't
Either
do that.
Twilight Zone or Peppa Pig.
Yeah.
well, the episode I'm talking about is like everyone is like these pig people, and they're doing plastic surgery on someone, trying to make them
Okay.
less ugly, and then they wrap off the bandages, and it's a person.
Mm. Hell yeah.
Is it cheating if I look up how to do something in Audacity?
That's
great.
Has anyone else who watched Monster Factory?
Yes, I was just gonna mention.
McElroy's.
Love that show.
So good.
Yeah.
Do they do lots of wrestling? Yeah.
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 Yeah, I remember the episode they copied all their characters from the previous games into the wrestling game, had them all fight. It's like who would win, the Final Pam or Turbo Vicky? And it's like, these titans. I still remember that.
Really.
Because it's not just creating the characters, they will infuse so much personality into them.
Yeah, they give them a story.
Yeah.
I love FromSoft's
Yeah.
character creator where
It's really funny.
for some
You
reason
just can't see
you
the
could just
face.
mutate it.
Mm.
To, like you don't have the ability to do this in the editing tools, but if you just use this one weird mutation
Right.
feature, you just spam it non-stop and then eventually everything just slowly morphs
Yeah.
like well beyond what the sliders allow.
Yeah. Yeah.
90 seconds.
Cool.
And like clearly the developers knew this from Dark Souls 1, but
Yeah.
just
Yeah.
kept letting it go.
I really like the joke in Dark Souls 2 where you do all your character creation stuff, and it's it's the same level of like complexity of like all the Soulses. But then immediately, as soon as you go into the game, you start off undead, and your character is just like a disgusting, sickly green, rotted nightmare. So it doesn't matter like
That is great.
any of
I
what you
love
did.
that.
You're just like it's
There-
really funny.
There was a bug on the launch of Monster Hunter Wilds where the moment you would equip a sword and shield, it would make your face all scrunched and really,
'Cause
really
they're heavy,
angry.
You know?
It made
It's
you,
hard to
it made you
hold.
really angry.
Exertion face.
So funny.
That's so goofy. Every time something like that comes up, I'm like, what spaghetti node based code is happening in the background
Yeah,
to
like
cause
what
this?
chain of
What
dominoes
is happening?
has been set up?
Yeah.
Well, the last Sims 4 update, everyone is getting pregnant.
heard
Like it
that.
doesn't matter if you
See,
had
that
sex
makes
or
more
not.
sense to me though.
Yeah, it's like some debug.
Yeah,
setting
or
has
it's
been
just like,
shipped.
oh yeah, they're doing like inheritance,
All
it's all
programming.
object-oriented programming
Yeah.
bullshit. It's like, yeah, okay, that I kind of understand.
But they didn't even have to woohoo. too.
Yeah.
To get pregnant.
Oh, really? It was just
Yeah.
happening? That's
Immaculate.
It was like a.
Yes.
I saw it was like I saw a post like instead of World of Warcraft, the corrupted blood incidents, like the disease spreading.
Yes.
That should be the new thing. It's like a sim talk to another sim. Now they're pregnant. Just beautiful world.
That's really, really good.
Woohoo.
Time up!
Oh, is it my turn?
You're up.
Oh, cool. I should have been thinking about game dev. I
No,
guess we're talking
this is
about
good.
game dev.
Going in, thinking about Emperor.
I did nothing important.
Emperor bugs.
Yeah.
I did not even figure out how
Make sure you
to
set
do a
your name.
controller. Yep.
Hello. Hello, TV. You can't hear me. Okay. How do I make myself?
Brandon says hello, by the way, TV.
I just turn on all the names.
His label. Sorry? For his name tag on that.
Oh,
Yeah, no, you found it.
I've done it. I'm me. Thank you.
I'm glad you're you.
How was your experience?
How was my experience?
Yeah.
Well, we've all seen parts of the project now, and I don't understand how you control anything.
Great.
It was constantly going through the floor.
No, spoilers.
Novel?
We'll figure it out.
Yeah.
Maybe that's the game.
Okay.
We have to talk to it now.
Yeah. Well, we can't be like designing the game.
We
at the
can't be
table.
designing the game outside of it, but
Sure.
Yeah.
Can't say what is there anyway. Yeah, someone should fix that.
Mm.
someone should. I just did stuff.
I think what we should do next time we do this is someone bring in like a mystery controller. And
Oh,
it's
yeah, yeah.
not
Oh,
unveiled
the hiking
until
club.
we begin. And it's like, okay, now, yeah, we've got a wild card.
I'm well ahead of you on this.
Great.
I have had for quite a while now this idea to make a hiking club where I will spend a long time making a really, really robust character controller
Mm.
that has a very specific set of verbs and that is completely self-contained.
Oh,
And then give that character controller to a bunch of different people and just be like, build a place for them. And then collate all of these spaces into like some kind of, again, like simple but robust like level selector.
Mm.
And then be like, great, everyone made a hike. And you can, you know, maybe you like set it up so it's like, okay, there's a level transition trigger. That's already a thing that I've made for
Yeah.
you.
yeah.
The default scene is your character and the level end trigger build a walk from one end to the other, and we just have them daisy chain into each other. And the thing that you like put in like the space is just a cyclical
Yeah.
series of levels that
I
you
mean,
walk through.
It sounds a lot like those like animation collabs. That,
Exactly.
Like, you get a
Yeah.
start frame and an
Yep.
end frame,
Yep.
and you just have to put in the middle. I
Precisely.
really like that.
Yeah.
But what I was actually thinking of is a physical controller.
Oh,
Like we don't know what piece of hardware
that's cute.
we're building for this game.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it could be a gamepad, it could be a DDR pad, it could be God knows what. But yeah, I think keyboard and mouse overdone.
Joystick from the 90s with a PCI connector.
Yeah,
Good luck.
could be beautiful.
Get that Negicon.
Yeah, I could bring in my MIDI keyboard. Do another.
That would be a
Yeah.
fun.
That's just a
game.
keyboard.
But it's all linear. It's all in one line, and it has pressure
Painted black and
sensitivity.
white. Oh, yeah, that's nice.
I like the idea of just bringing in a microphone and making a game that's based
Yeah.
like
Yeah.
you have to control it like.
Could you imagine us trying to have a conversation? Debugging that. That's really good. I would like.
Also, you definitely for something like that, you would have to make sure you set up like the API beforehand.
Yeah,
so you've got like
you'd spend ages
accessible inputs for people.
trying to get amplitude, frequency. Yeah.
Anyway, one day I will do that hiking club thing.
Yeah, I
Oh,
like that
wow.
idea a lot.
That sounds fun.
I wish I could just scrape Norman Reedus from Death
This
Stranding.
is what I've been fucking saying when I was watching Stella play Infamous.
Yeah,
That game, doo
yeah.
doo doggy poop.
Okay.
However, it has a really robust character controller.
Oh.
It's just a really simple, like you're a guy, and you could just kind of push yourself through any environment. You can clamber up shit, you can shimmy, you can, you know, it's just like, oh, okay, you could just kind of throw whatever
Mm.
at this person, and it'll just kind of handle it. And IMO, I'm like, that should. Why is that just not just in like every engine?
I mean, we've now got the Super Mario 64 controller.
Yeah, I guess that's true.
That could be fun.
It's alright.
That could be fun to start with.
Yeah.
We can put that into Unity and be like, let's.
IMO, it's not weird enough. It's great, but it's just like, yeah, it's the Mario 64 controller.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's not
I think it's novel enough.
I guess so. I mean, maybe I'm what's the word?
Jaded.
Well, certainly. Maybe I'm just assuming that everyone is a little older than they actually are, and that they've already experienced the sum total of Mario 64.
There are 19-year-olds at
I
Sabby.
know, yeah.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah, it's bizarre
Yeah.
that they're here.
I feel like
I don't think they're here.
I've
yet.
never really contemplated the age gap between me and a 19-year-old.
Don't do it. It's down that path life.
Yeah. Because we have people, we also
millennialism.
have regulars in their mid-40s.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Totally.
Yes.
He is.
Dude, you know what is really good is the Tomb Raider 1 character control. I really like it.
That's
Like,
it must have been good. It was a successful game. I don't think it was successful
Lots
because
of
of the character
successful games
control.
have shit character
Yeah,
controllers.
That's true as well. I really want to, I don't know what, but I want to put a spin on Katamari games. I feel like there's more to it.
oh,
Yeah.
Hi Rex. What's with the cube? Most of us don't know.
yeah, good question.
What isn't with the cube?
So
I'm glad the cube was there.
Yeah.
Do
Uh,
you like the texture?
for
I did
wondering-
really like the texture. And then when I pressed play after I had made my changes, I was like, I perhaps should have pressed play before I made my changes.
Yeah.
So
But it's fine, I think.
yeah. I
Yeah.
think it's fine. Just for those coming in cold, this is a hot seat game jam. We are
So the seat will warm you up.
literally taking 10-minute intervals to make a game in a single session. We're still on round 1.
Yeah, round 1 about to terminate.
How long?
About 5 minutes, I think.
3.5.
Oh no!
Time flieth. Oh, I shouldn't look over there. I'm getting spoiled.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm not really getting
You're
spoiled.
next, right? Yeah.
I guess I can be next. We don't have to do the same order, but we can if we want.
True.
Same order is what we've done in the past.
Well, do you want to be last?
Well,
That
then
could be
2
fun.
rounds will have gone by. I guess
Yeah.
that feels unfair in 2 ways. One,
Only you get to be first and last,
well, yeah,
which is selfish.
but 2, I kind of feel like the experience of beginning a thing and then seeing none of it until the very final thing is kind of too good. Right? It's like, that feels like cheating.
We could spin a wheel to find out who goes next.
Could do, yeah.
We could.
That could be kind of fun.
Be cool if we had one of those big clicky
Yeah,
wheels.
Yeah. Alas, we do!
That would be amazing.
Savvy budget isn't that high. We need more members.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Wants
Rex,
to buy the
are you a
wheel.
member? Because if you are, then we get that much closer to getting a big spinny wheel.
Yes! It's true.
I made one of those in Unity.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
2 minutes.
What's the URL for this silly game?
Is that something we need to add to stream? A timer, a spinny wheel? Because I'm sure spinny wheel will come up as well.
Yeah.
Like, just
Spinny
be
wheel.
able to add things to a spinny wheel and click it.
Yeah.
I can hear Mel coming down the stairs. No?
No.
Okay. I thought I heard Mel coming down the stairs, which in my mind just
I
meant
have
that
a
Mel was
spinning
coming
wheel.
down the stairs with a giant spinning wheel.
Yeah.
I was expecting with giant spinning wheel opinion.
Mystery. I mean, I can. Oh.
That was still one of my favorite things for my level design class, I made an application in Unity to distribute randomized themes to students, where you could just click on it and it would generate a bunch of theme words and also put them in the clipboard. So I could then just click and then
nice.
paste it into the Discord. And
That's
I set it up
handy.
so that they were pulling from a JSON, so I could just rewrite the themes. I wouldn't have to rebuild the application ever. Pretty good.
This was for gift.
Oh, that's pretty good. We should eat at. Whoa! What the fuck?
I made this in like 2 hours.
That's tremendous. It's gonna get schnitz again. Oh, thank God.
Yeah, you guess the twist.
That's really funny.
Is it all
2,
Lord of the Fries?
1.
Yeah, I made this for Benji.
Time up.
Right.
Now, did you want to do some
Schnitz. Cute.
chicanery with the stream before?
Yeah.
round
What was it
two?
that you were after?
So I have a little. I wanted to test. You probably test these. Don't look at that. Minimize. You can stay. I wanted to
It
test.
landed on the
stream
same
overlay. I'm not
one.
other
Whoa,
people
you
working
can
on
do
the stream
that.
overlay, but I'm curious just to test the text.
It's just like
on
a
my end.
physics drawing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what I would like is.
I don't remember how I did the force with the
I'm just gonna.
And again!
Can you,
Yeah, you've made
I'll-
deterministic.
It broke
Predetermined.
That would be
Amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah, just try and like
Okay.
forward calculate the physics
Yeah.
and just retroactively reapply it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or it just snaps into the same animation at the end, which would be also funny
Yeah.
to see it force itself to do that.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Because we would
And the
always and ah about what we're going to eat.
But what can you
We'd
get from
always go to
Schnitz?
Schnitz.
Because
had-
we ordered stuff here and there was nothing vegan.
They had vegan, now they just say veggie.
Oh.
And I don't know if that's like because there's cross contamination, because they fry everything in the same
Oh yeah.
stuff, so they can't call it vegan anymore. I don't know,
It's
it's
mildly
mildly
pedantic.
maybe say
That's annoying. We can't just resize it
Yeah.
or whatever. That's all right. So what
I
I would
love a
like
good
to see.
clicky
is,
spinning wheel.
That's my own time. I think I'm muted. I was missing out on lovely cross talk. Or evil mode.
Right.
Yeah, actually, I think I can.
Oh, that's curious.
So this
Does it add
this be
shit each
overlay,
time you
this
spin
should
it?
stay transparent.
And then we'll
Yeah,
find
but
out.
at the same bloody time,
Yeah.
Just reveals what's under the wedge.
see what it is.
There's no human wild card.
$1,000.
Yeah.
You win a
Half a car.
So with this stream, is there a way to encourage people to sign up?
There's the stream elements that links to the sign up stuff.
Yeah.
You can use that to make nobody saying someone subscribed.
But during a hot seat game
I mean,
jam.
we could make it a part of the routine.
Yeah.
It's like, time's up, become a member.
Yeah.
And that's like the sign off.
Yeah, it's Jimbo Games. Okay.
Yeah,
as
at
far
the
as-
least, probably.
As far as formatting goes, there does need to be something on the stream overlay or that is set in
Scary.
So that means that whatever.
That's scary.
Whatever, whatever
Camera is
overlay
done
stuff, I don't know if it's tested now, but double tested, it should be okay.
we introduce what the stream is, have a title on the stream
Creating
overlay
stuff
to
for
communicate.
Exactly.
I
show
think they
is.
have
Yeah.
that.
Producer
I
side
mean
of it.
more in the like actual
You know?
Or
gameplay
in
of it.
between,
It's all yours.
there's an interstitial scene.
I understand what it's a game.
This
Yeah.
is Sabby, we're doing 10-minute game jam. To
Is there a way
response
to-
the call.
I know it's a coast word. Is there a way to gamify this into our jam somehow?
Stretch goals.
Yeah. What if I don't know.
Oh, yeah.
The more people that sign up while you're in the hot seat, something happens.
And people
Push me
become
to
a
that.
member and then they get access to a Dropbox.
They get put in the game.
Oh, they get put in the game.
Maybe they can get the source code. If they want
Oh
it.
yeah.
Get the
Wow.
program
Well, we
files.
could just give everyone that
Yeah.
though. Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, I was just chatting with testing the overlay stuff. So now if someone, I think it was tested earlier, but if someone subscribes during the stream, we can detect that. It'll pop up on screen. So
Yeah.
we still need to finish the. I think Ellie made a demo of it.
Yeah.
But,
Yes.
There is the demo of it, which
yeah,
is
in theory that is working. So it uses the same tech as that one. So I've just confirmed the tech works. So now whatever we want to do for the demo should be really easy and good to go.
Yeah.
cool.
So yeah, we just got to finish that demo up and we're good.
Was there a thing we wanted to test with like Teledog popping up when people write things in chat? Is that a thing that I saw or?
That is an option, but right now we want to be able to get the donations up on screen.
That's more
It
important.
is a desirable in the future.
Yeah,
Yeah.
We can't test it today.
that's fair.
Yeah. If I coded up a second demo, we could test it, but I left my laptop at home.
When's the stream? When's it?
It's in 2 weeks now, right?
The
Okay.
4th to the 8th.
Yeah.
Cool. I do need at some point to test, because I've hooked up my web server to someone makes a donation through like the donation link thingy on Square. But if we have Streamlabs, which I think we don't, like if that'd be a whole separate system, I don't know what that is. And I also need to test if just tapping the Square machine also detects that as a donation. But
I can test that now.
well, I don't have it set up to test,
Oh,
but
okay.
I should have thought of that before I came in. But next time around at Sabby, I'll just sacrifice a few dollars to the altar of
We're
testing.
donating a few dollars for
Yeah, it's a worthy investment.
for the electricity of fairy lights.
Hell yeah. Well, yeah, it's very cool stuff. It's all cool seeing it come together.
Yeah.
And now that you've all had a go at the game, do you want to talk about
Okay. Yeah.
what's going on there?
Yeah. So like, what did each of you add? Well, because I just sat down and like I don't even know what I'm looking at here.
I think I figured out what May's added. Just
That was pretty easy
oddly
to tell.
weird. I think I know what May's added, and that I'm gonna
I-
leave that, the very obvious part that is yours, as a surprise for Coda.
Great. Well,
I
everyone's
added it before I
seen mine.
pressed play, that's all.
Yeah.
What did you add?
Everyone is. I
Yeah.
connected the camera to the cube.
Okay.
So
Yeah,
that
that's
because
what
at
I
the moment the
didn't
cube just go
realize.
off screen and it's
Yeah.
like okay, it's gone.
Nice.
So yeah, I set that up, and then I added some rocks. I tried to add a tree. I forgot that OBJ files are finicky with Unity. Yeah, I just wanted to add some set dressing.
Nice.
Yeah, yeah.
Neat.
So I did other stuff.
Brian, what was the most upsetting thing that you saw?
The most upsetting thing that I saw was just
Because you
sitting-
were the last.
Yeah, because I saw there were a lot of people before me, so I was like, okay, so there's probably a semblance of a game here. I sit down and it's like, what are we going for? What is like? I see there's a lovely cube with a lot of character and personality and flair to it.
Yeah.
I see a bit of an environment, like I like the checkerboard, but like, okay, but what are we doing with it? The floor is kind of moving on its own, and then I just fall through it. And like, why is it? What's happening?
Fascinating.
So I've it's very beautiful. But I've just my run I turned off the floor just so I could have like a sturdy baseline. Which I don't want to undo other people's work, but it's like I don't know what else to do. And then I added a gameplay. And my favorite thing, I added from floating text that said "click to move," just so the next person to sit down or play doesn't have to spend 30 seconds
You
figuring out
have
how
to
to play.
click to move.
Never figured that out.
Yeah,
Didn't figure that
I think
I
out.
looked through the only code that was in the
Yeah.
project.
Oh, no,
That made it
minimize.
easier to
Didn't,
figure it out.
didn't look at code at all.
Yeah.
I saw that there was like point on screen, this, that, and the other. And I'm sitting there like, I see that has to do with where I am, but it doesn't seem to matter what I do because what I do is fall through the floor after a few seconds.
Yeah.
Because I didn't realize that the character controller was the cube. Or
Fair.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
it's
It's pretty
I was,
abstract.
I was just like, I'm gonna put some sounds in and then animate them.
yeah,
Sure.
sounds good.
That's
really-
why we go multiple rounds.
Yep.
Exactly. And that was good. Like the cube had so much flair by the time I got to it. I was like,
Yeah.
okay, wherever we take this cube, it's gonna be a great cube.
Yeah.
I didn't know what to do with it, so like I added
Was that, is that the sparkles?
I put the sparkles on the
The
cube.
real
Oh,
sparkles.
awesome.
So
That actually just made it more confusing for me because the cube has so much personality.
put a spotlight on it, and
Yeah.
I put.
Wow.
I turned off the directional
Turn
light, and I was
Right.
just like, cool, I'm gonna add some sparkles to this.
Yeah, but that's.
I made a cold shot earlier. I'm just like, I'm gonna get in. I'm not gonna know what the hell's going on, and I'm just gonna go, particle effects, and I did.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it was great. I love that uncanny valley almost, where something has so much intentionality behind it, and there's something fundamentally with the rest of it. It's like this has to have been done on purpose because there's so much care and passion into it, and yet I don't. How did it get here? Because the floor isn't real. It's like there's that beautiful mismatch.
yeah,
I love that a lot.
I'm very curious to see what
Yeah.
what am I gonna experience when I sit back
Yeah.
down?
I
In
feel
some
like
ways-
I need to do less next time.
No, you did great because I clicked play and I was just like, I know exactly what Maze did.
Yeah. It's quite confronting. I like it. It was really
So
cool.
I gotta make a motor engine.
Well, that actually, I didn't say the main thing I did, but that kind of fits in with what I added.
Yay!
We'll have to see where Zach takes it, because I felt bad taking out some of the. I made the floor sit still, so we actually had something to work on, which I feel kind of bad about, because like we couldn't do something weird with the floor flying away and falling through. Like that's an interesting direction to go.
Oh no.
But I
that's
was
good,
like,
'cause that,
okay, now it's a baseline of like, okay, where do we want to take this? What do you want the game to be? But now it's kind of the ball's in Zach's court and everyone else's to say like, what is it? But I added my guy PNG, so now we have like at least another character. That's kind of what I do in all my projects.
It's great.
Yeah. So yeah, that was cool. I like this. Yeah, being able to talk about it in the input, I think is a good spot. Like the secrecy of going into a blind and yet like saying, oh, you added that, and like here's my thought process. But we still don't know where it's at now, or where it's going to be, or what was added after us. Very
yeah,
cool.
I think so.
And how does this compare to other hot seat game jams, or just game jams in general? Jumping
Other game jams I've been a part of have been a lot more stressful.
Yeah. Yeah, here we know we're just making some random garbage.
Yeah, it's kind of nice.
Yeah.
I like it. I don't have to worry about upsetting people.
Yeah.
Because
The more you ruin it, the better. In fact,
Yeah.
to enjoy.
Very low stakes.
Yeah, that's how it should be.
exactly what I was thinking. Like the stakes have never been lower.
Yeah.
It's fine to mess up and fuck around.
Yeah. And getting something that's kind of half-baked to begin with as your input means like, okay, there's no real standard to meet here.
yeah, it was really
Yeah.
nice when I pressed play and I was just like, I have no idea what's happening.
Yeah.
And I think like
Okay.
if you're like looking to perform, like if you're coming into this wanting to like make something that's good,
Stands
Like-
the test of time, is remembered for 100 years.
yeah, not only are you setting yourself up for an impossible task because you can't plan and strategize and like build. You're gonna have 10 minutes,
Yeah.
but then you're also like kind of making the experience worse for everyone else because there's that pressure you put on other
Yeah.
people. So it really is just like muck around in a game engine. And
Yeah.
I kind of love that vibe a lot.
It is a good
It's
vibe.
very difficult to summon on your own. Really difficult feeling
Yeah.
to
Does
get.
anyone have a timer for that?
Yeah,
Okay.
Nice.
That's
Zach's
thank
been
you.
doing the timing the
Thank
entire
you.
time and also went straight up to the webcam with the timer when
Nice.
she
Nice.
sat down.
That's
I'm
cool.
gonna use a sheet.
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
And I like you're saying, like, because when I sit down and do the game dev, I care less about the game. I care more about putting in something funny for the next person to see. Like, yeah, like just the audience not being the game, but ourselves.
Very good.
The development side of it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But this is also an interesting format because the one hot seat game jam I did last time, it wasn't secret. It was projected on the wall, so everyone could see it come together. So everyone could start thinking what they want to do next or surprise. And I'm trying to weigh up like versus the public versus the surprise version. I mean, it probably doesn't make a difference. It's really fun either way, but it's an interesting difference.
Yeah.
I think it's cool that stream, like the audience knows.
Yeah, that's fun. Yeah.
I think it's really cool that. Oh, okay. Are we going in the same order?
Yeah.
Might as well.
It's just easier that way.
Yeah, it's been so long since you've last seen it. It's a whole new world.
You have just this look of walking into like a torture chamber now.
Yeah, I was gonna ask
We're
that
figuring
because
out
we've
what
all
our-
spoken about some things that have been added and you've seen.
Yeah.
The person who's seen the least,
Yeah.
do they have a plan
Yeah. Oh no.
or an idea of what they might be adding? Like
Yeah.
you just said before, the last
Yeah.
game jam, people were looking at
Yeah.
the projection and thinking about it.
Yeah, and even if they did have a plan, they sit down like this is not even the foundation I was thinking of. How do I keep the total out?
Inputs were being sampled in fixed update or an update.
Ah.
No can do that.
Nice.
It's
Now they're
really
being
lovely
sampled
to have
in
somebody
update.
that understands. I haven't touched code in such a long time.
I mean, it's not not our fault that Unity's fucking parallel update system is so balked.
It is strange.
And it starts with just like, oh, would you like 50 fixed updates per second?
Oh no.
No, mate, no.
Yeah. I remember, you know the story why it's at 50?
Yes, so that you
Yeah.
make a choice, go
Yeah.
to hell.
Exactly.
Go directly to hell.
Yeah.
Wait, what?
Yeah, it's at a number that no one wants, so that you have to make a choice to pick one that you do want.
Yeah. And the only correct answer is 60.
Yeah.
So
So they decide. All right, just let me get it straight. They were like, "Hey, we're making a product. We are not going to choose anything that anybody uses, so that people have to make their own choices."
The user doesn't. Users don't know that number exists.
yeah.
I'm producing a hamburger. I'm going to make certain that it has
It comes
no
with
meat.
a live cow.
Yeah, that it has an uncooked burger
Yeah.
thing in it
Just
that
an
is
empty
made of
bun.
an unspecified mix of meats, so that people have to choose beforehand what type of meat and how much it's cooked.
Yeah. Imagine a burger.
Imagine a burger.
Now stop imagining.
Spin it in your head.
Yeah. I should have added a burger. That would be
Spinning
good.
burger.
Mm.
And now I'm just hungry.
Mm.
That's why I had noodles before.
Ooh.
Whose noodles are those?
Those are mine in case I got hungry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How
It's something I've got to start doing more often. Bringing food in, because I lose all energy.
Mm.
I brought my lunch. When you said we were getting here at 12, I was like, but what about lunch? And then that's all I could focus on.
I'm so sorry.
It's turned
No,
into a
I'm
cooking
the
stream.
worst at this. Because, like, when it comes to me, it's just like I will figure out food when I figure food is necessary. And then I don't, and then I get
It's
really hungry and
too late at
almost
that
pass
point.
out.
I did think about like what would be the ideal time to come in if we were starting stream at 2 that would allow for lunch, and there was none. So I was like, nah.
Can't be done.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh.
so I guess.
we're being
But I had
offered
great
lunch.
lunch.
Do you peeps?
I had great lunch.
I'm getting lunch after
Oh,
Yeah.
We should put Garfield smoking a pipe in the game. That would be a very specific thing for one person.
no,
Nice.
I brought my own lunch and I ate it and it was delicious.
Yeah.
But
Yeah, we're learning that
Maybe I'll
one
get
of
a
the most important parts of doing a marathon game jam is carbo loading.
Yep.
this. Mm.
100. Yeah, you got a carbo load
Yeah.
on all of the carbos.
Now, if we made it a food themed game, what we're making, would that be
Yes.
better or worse? 'Cause
that would be better.
But it'll just
More
make us
awful
hungry.
Sounds.
it'll just make us more longing.
Anyone with misophonia can get fucked.
Ooh, that's evil game.
Yep.
Yeah, just.
Well, I hate it.
Why would you say it if you're the one that hates it?
I think I hate it when it's
Mm.
when I can also see it. I think.
Yeah. Oh no,
Okay.
we hook up that sound to your audio system, so it's like just look.
Turn all the what are the words for those? Are they fricatives? No, they're all the
Plosives.
plosives.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I don't know these words. These are good words.
It's all the stuff that fucks with mics.
All right. I see it's got its little hat on.
Plosives. It does have its.
I really want to pat the little hat, but I know that'll make an earthquake in the audio world.
I really just want to give it like little eyes.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
just so that it has like a little.
A little
Like
puffle.
the soot
Oh yeah,
puffing.
exactly.
Yeah.
That's beautiful. Yeah, I keep needing to remember that the stream is happening. I haven't forgotten that we're on camera, but like I don't check the chat. I don't look at the smile at the camera.
No, that's alright.
But
It's This
as
is
someone's
a
doing
fly
it.
on the wall camera. Ignore it's here and talk to each other.
Yeah.
The lighting
You're
could be
using
better
this as an
on
excuse
that.
for
I
like
don't know.
interviewing us journalism style and
Kind of.
Mm.
And
Yeah.
like
It's more of a podcast, yeah.
directing the
podcast
format of the
vibe.
stream, producing it, for lack of a better word.
yeah.
I'm happy to do that.
Where would be better for the camera next time?
I was
'Cause
thinking like it's like a
yeah.
face cam.
Directly overhead.
overhead would be fun.
Either that or one of those like fisheye
I-
lenses that's like right at my face.
Oh,
I was thinking
That
about
would be
like if
funny.
it was over here at head height and there was a couch over there, and so everybody was facing
Yeah.
the camera, maybe.
If we can get a setup
Like,
like,
it's not a
you
setup.
know, the view, like a circular table.
Yeah.
Mm. Yeah,
I mean,
because
if we took away
Yeah.
those tables and all sat around this table with the
Yeah.
camera there, that could be better.
Honestly, yeah.
yeah,
Is
because
it,
here.
is it possible to get one of those like ridiculously high FOV cameras and put it face up on the table so it
Yeah.
would all be around like an inch
The
of the shot?
360 camera.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think Twitch can do 360 video as well, so we can fully VR experience.
No 360 and then just flatten it for the stream.
Yeah.
I'll
Just
tell
thinking
you
about one
what.
of those cameras that
The
makes
guys-
you
there
look like
is
a
better
tiny
next
planet.
time,
Yeah.
because then it's not the sun either.
Yeah, I think the best I can do if you want a 360 camera is
Put it on a wheelchair and rotate it.
yeah. No, I was gonna say like a Lazy Susan and a tiny motor.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Don't even put the motor in. Just let the stream people just be like,
Yeah.
all right,
Just be
everybody,
like,
how you
I'm
feeling?
sick of being on screen.
Spin the wheel.
Oh, it's the wheel! It's the wheel to
Yes.
spin.
Yeah.
Oh.
Who goes next?
Yeah.
Spin the wheel.
It's a stream donation to just like
Yeah.
push it a bit.
Oh no.
Nice.
I mean, we're not really pushing for donations this time. We're pushing for sign-ups. Sign up, you spin the wheel once.
Now sign up, you make it, you increase its constant speed. The more people sign up, the faster it goes.
Faster it spins.
Okay,
the
then
more nauseous we
It's
become.
going to detach and we're going to be removing a phone
Do you know
from
how-
someone's nasal passage.
Uh,
Do you know how
Membership
sad it's gonna be
100,
when
it
like
should
nobody
detect.
signs up and it's just moving at like a snail's pace the entire time? You're just like, oh, we should have thought about this.
No, that's what it needs to be as depressing as possible to push people to subscribe.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. And we all like just acting all sad and depressed, and that's exactly the energy we want.
That'll get us the views.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, we can't even spin. We have to keep like changing seats, like musical chairs around to pretend to be spinning, because they can't get the motor working.
we end up just spinning the room instead.
Yeah.
Like,
Exactly.
we can't figure out how to get this thing going, so we're just gonna walk.
Yeah. Somber march.
I love the fact that I can see Coda's face and like that's it.
I'm always thinking that.
And Coda's got a confident look at the moment that makes me think.
That's good. Coda looked miserable going in.
They're locked in.
Yeah. So like that's the face of somebody that's just like I got this.
I really want to watch when I first sit
2 minutes.
down, just because I was a bit baffled. I was like, what is this? That would have been fun to
Yeah.
capture.
Can
Well-
is this being saved? Oh, it will on
Yeah.
YouTube. Yeah.
It will be on YouTube and
Nice.
it will also be saved on Twitch
Cool.
for at least the next 2 weeks, but it'll be on YouTube forever.
Nice.
And how was it opening up a project that you started?
Oh yeah, had your child's all grown
40
up.
minutes ago?
More or less, but I was like, oh yeah, I recognize this.
Yeah.
But then I did immediately realize like, oh, I don't get to do anything fun this time around. I have to fix a problem.
Mm.
What problem was it?
The floor wasn't moving.
The
Mm.
no, the inputs were being sampled during fixed update, which doesn't work because Unity's input system isn't smart enough to hang on to inputs across update and then pass them to fixed update if you ask for them from fixed update. So if you
Interesting.
want to have an instant event that has to happen during the fixed update, you have to sample it in update, store it as value, like a bool or something, and then execute it
Nice.
in fixed update,
Does
and
that
then
mean
reset it.
But that's
the
So it's fucking
character
annoying.
controller works again?
Yeah. Well, except no, because I only got halfway through it.
Ah!
Wait, but I changed it from an instant event to continuous,
To continuous, yes.
and it worked fine for me.
Yes.
So you fix it back.
So, well, because I then wanted to be like, oh, I wanted to have a different
Oh, I see.
instant click event.
Got
and I was
it.
like, why is this not working? Oh, it's because it's into stuff.
Nice. I didn't even notice that.
Yeah, because a long-term event that's fine
Yeah.
because you can hold that And when you ask for it in fixed update, it's like, yep, still being held. But if you want to click it, it's like you can click it, and in update it'll be like, yes, but did we get a fixed update this frame? No. So it's no longer clicking when we get around to fixed update. It's like,
My turn?
Yep.
time up.
Right.
Good luck. Still writing a line. Code, no. Oh no, that's documentation. That's important.
Yeah, we get. That's what I like about the low stakes. Like, make our time, but also we get to finish our sentence.
Yeah.
Well, commenting.
You're commenting your code?
Who do you think you are?
My turn.
Oh, should that be a rule? No code comment.
It's just a bold
You have to
decision.
intuit what the programmer thought.
Imagine someone sits down and only documents the project, makes it a nice and boring, and the next person just ruins it.
Oh, like 100%. Like the thing that I wanted to do to start off with was just open up like a Confluence file and be like,
Yeah, start making geotickets.
yeah.
Yeah.
I was literally thinking, like, what if I made a Git?
Yeah.
What if I just started by making?
I mean, I was feeling fancy when I saved the project when I was on my way out.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
I mean, that might save the entire thing.
It would be nice if we were like making, if we cared enough to do like a save as every time, but Unity makes that tough. That little progress. But now that's the spirit of this. We're just going, and it's just happening whether we like it or not.
Yeah.
There are no breaks on the game dev train.
Yeah.
It just keeps going.
Imagine we keep doing this for like, not one continuous thing, but we do this for like a year, and then we publish it on Steam, and that's like an actual game dev practice.
Yeah. 10 minutes.
Yeah.
10 minutes at a time.
Remember what you were doing, bitch.
We have a team of 20, but only one computer.
Yeah.
How are you feeling after your
6 minutes.
I had a vision after playtesting it for 30 seconds, and I tried to make that vision work, and then I realized I haven't touched this like realm of Unity for so long that I just couldn't figure it out, and now I feel bad.
What state to leave the character controller
It's much more playable.
in?
Nice.
Yeah. Did the right click work?
I didn't try. I didn't realize until I started poking around with what I wanted to do.
Yeah. So I fixed the left click and added the floating text. I love adding floating text.
Yep. It's good.
But
Yeah.
I added the semblance of gameplay. Added the guys.
Do they have a lowered center of gravity?
I just spawned the default capsule and just I don't know what it did.
I might
I'm
set
curious
the-
where you've taken it now.
I didn't know. I literally just did a program to try and fix my mistakes.
I like the controller. It's good.
Yeah. I love the big
But
cube.
I didn't realize. I'm so used to the controller being on the character.
Yeah, that tripped me up.
Yeah, sorry.
No scripts.
I had to make a choice really early. I was like, and then I made a Godot choice because I was like, oh, I need the scripts to be on the camera so that I can access the stuff on the camera. No, that's not how Unity works.
Yeah.
So I literally, when I sat back down, I was like, click on player. Where's the script?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's right. I put it so stupid.
If it was on the character, I probably could have.
Yeah.
You could literally cut and paste it. It doesn't need to be on the camera. It would still.
That was somebody else's choice. I'm not gonna remove that choice.
I had a real brain.
The first thing I did is I turned off the floor, so I'm deleting.
Floor seems still there, and I was looking at it.
I deleted the floor animating.
Oh, the floor was animated.
Floor was animated.
The whole thing that happened between
I'm the only one that actually
added and deleted.
Yeah, I didn't know. Yeah.
I was sitting there the entire time with the floor animator being like, no, I don't know how to control this, but...
Yeah, you're setting up for the next, someone will take this to the finish line, and I'm like, nope, I'm finished now, delete.
Like, I wonder
It's still on there, I just picked it off.
if I should, between now and the actual stream, refresh and do some kind of classic Unity.
I mean, that's why it's a good thing to do at the end of the Game Week, is because everyone
Ignore
has
that. That is not for us.
had several weeks of really turning up, really flexing their muscles and getting into this super fast iteration mindset. And that's why I think it works.
And it's also just I think, for my work and for my hobby projects, they focus on such a weird niche part of Unity. I never touch Unity. And I don't know how to space to jump. I don't know how. I just again, I just haven't done it so long.
I like that I've been retaining the basics of Unity, so it's I know how the input works, I know how the basics of physics and where the rigid body goes, which means it's like anything I want to implement has to be very like
Yeah.
bare bones.
Yeah.
But also that gets you more design thinking. It's like, you know, in a good way.
Also, vector math just translates everywhere.
Yeah.
Vector math is fun.
Something.
I really am so upset with myself that I find mathematics fun nowadays.
Well,
Like,
Owned nerd. Congratulations, you've been deprogrammed.
you've been
Child me would be so disappointed.
Been
Not
deprogrammed.
only am I no longer a good Christian, considered myself straight.
This is all because of maths again.
Yeah, it's all just because I found maths was cool, and then I was
Yeah.
like, you know what? It's time to be gay, a criminal.
Yeah.
Who knows? Let's
Exactly.
be as much as we want to be.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maths is the entry drug.
Yeah,
That's the
it
game.
all starts with math.
I mean,
It's
honestly,
the gay trade drug.
I mean, maybe. I mean, not far off, because like you learn math in school if you're not into it, it's like, what's this? But then you're encoding something like, finally, I want my play to move from here to there. What?
Yeah.
Maths? Like now you're in control of it. So I can
Yeah.
harness
Yeah.
this to my own words. What else can I harness?
Yeah.
Whatever.
Really, like my first ever programming assignment, I didn't know how rigid bodies. I didn't know about rigid bodies. I didn't know about physics. I didn't know about any of that. But I wanted to make a hover bike
Yeah, hell yeah.
in Unity, and I was like, well, I know how trigonometry works,
Yeah,
and I know how to do a raycast.
yeah.
Don't know how to access a normal, but if I know that if I do two
Yeah.
raycasts down, I can determine the normal based
Yeah.
on the angle, and so I made this like insane motorbike that had used 4 rays to work out the angle of the ground on each axis,
Hell
and then
yeah.
like rotated accordingly, and used like a terrible like handwritten lerp function that was all in update.
Sometimes I like that those very like what's the word, like improvised solutions where you're just kind of figuring out, you don't really know any proper ways to do it. Sometimes when those are actually the best solution, and having the correct knowledge kind of narrows you down the wrong path.
Yeah.
I mean, the last time for Gamer Week, I did a first-person character controller, and I didn't, never crossed my mind. You know, you move the mouse up to look up. You could just keep going up and
Until it
keep
looks like
rotating,
right.
and then you start looking
Yeah.
bending backwards,
I love
looking
that.
behind you, and you just play the whole game upside down
Yeah.
from there with controls reversed.
Yeah.
And I was like, that's kind of cool, actually.
Every time I've made a character controller where you can move the mouse to point yourself around, like especially if it's in like a debug setting, like a fly cam or whatever, I always leave looking upside down unlocked,
Yeah.
so that you can just like why not?
I've seen, and I love as well when you discover stuff like that and you can hook it back into the game.
Yeah.
Like I've seen one game, you look down, you do that downwards, and then you're looking through your own legs, like
Yeah.
they render legs there,
Yeah,
just
it's
upside
really
down.
good.
Yeah.
I want to do one where you look so far back, your character just falls over.
Yeah. Yeah.
That would be very funny.
Yeah.
If you look too far back, you just end up on your
It
back.
just plays like a sound effect.
Yeah.
and you like die.
They're ready to go.
Yeah, you had that
I've had that experience with a video game where
Oh, yeah?
I thought that pressing, like it was an Iron Man game,
Uh-huh.
and I thought that pressing forwards would make the character go forwards,
Uh-huh.
but it was up, so I was looking forwards and just going backwards.
Yeah.
I couldn't
I
figure
had
out
that.
what I was doing
Yeah,
wrong.
yeah.
It's
Yeah.
because it was a jump in to play this demo, and I was beyond the tutorial,
Yeah.
so
Yeah,
I
that
was
would do
picking
it.
it up in the middle,
Yeah.
not knowing what inputs did what.
Yeah, I had that. It was the arrow keys would turn the camera, and then the mouse was to move. So you had to like
that's
slide
such
the
a
mouse.
classic.
And I played on a high DPI mouse, so I nudged it. The guy flew across the entire level. It was great. I remapped it to like mouse and keyboard, but some of the inputs are like double mapped because the game didn't expect to do that.
2 minutes.
Okay, who put fucking 2D sounds somewhere? Cannot find where it is.
No questioning the council whilst dipping.
Hell yeah.
Good. It's really good. Yeah, the folder management, asset management is already
Ooh.
completely.
Yeah, there's a
I've got all
script.
my shit in folders.
There's a script.
What the root folder?
I love
I think folder.
I love the scripts folder with one script in it, and all the other scripts are just somewhere else. That's where one of them goes. It's like all or nothing. I'm gonna put my 2D image in like the models folder or something. I can't stop me.
Thanks. Yeah.
Because he's a model to me.
Yeah, I love having a root like materials, textures, shaders, but then every material has its own separate subfolder for its own textures and
Yeah.
shaders.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is what
I just can't find anything.
whenever I was like, when I last worked in Unity, this was the thing that was annoying me. So I was like, okay, materials, what that actually means is built-in materials. And then in the shaders folder, there's actually a shader and then a material for every shader, and they're together. And this makes mental sense, but it doesn't make file sense.
Yeah.
Even it's better than Game Maker where you have to like prefix every asset because they'll all collide with each other.
What?
Yeah, you have to write like T underscore, like T for texture underscore red, because if you have material red, you have to do M underscore red, because they all have the same like dot something extension.
Oh, right.
Or like everything's a global namespace.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's true. That is good.
Yeah.
I mean, it means that you have to do good file management.
Yeah.
But the suffixes
Yeah.
tell you what it is.
That
I
Hungarian
don't need to
shape.
prefix it.
Yeah.
It's already
Honestly,
there.
honestly, if you do commit to it, it does kind of help. But from what I've seen.
Yeah, but also everybody needs to commit to it.
Yeah. But it seems that. Yeah.
So,
I mean, if there's
Okay.
no communication between
Yeah.
devs, then yeah,
Yeah.
the things are gonna end up in the wrong place and being designed
Yeah.
unconventionally.
Yep. Yep.
I guess that's part of the experiment.
I'm gonna have a fun time on
Hell yeah. Just add even more particles. Never have too many. Oh, how was that?
How are you feeling?
did you press play?
I did press play this time,
Nice.
and then couldn't find where the audio was coming from until I realized that you can search by type in Unity.
Yeah.
And I was like,
Nice.
there we go, which I did right at the end.
Hell yeah. Nice.
But I added some things.
Feeling the
Hell yeah.
frustrated click. Sorry,
It's really good.
Hell yeah.
Yeah. I don't know how much better, like how much more time I want to spend in Unity. I really wish I could just transpose all those skills to Godot.
Yeah. Takes time, but you can do it.
Yeah, I believe.
Just so long as you choose Godot 4.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Godot 4.
For the win.
0.3 and above.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm on for 4. 4.
Just 4?
4.4.
Oh, right.
Still
Is
like
there?
4.5
interactive
is
music
new,
stuff
yeah.
was 0.3 onwards.
Oh
Yeah.
yeah, that was cool.
That is really cool. I
That's
looked
neat.
into that. I'm not
Yeah.
good with it.
There's still like some of the transition stuff is still a bit like, ugh,
Did I
just
sh-
go one little bit further.
Did I
but-
show you Godot for iPad? Someone ported
No,
it
but you
entirely.
said you were gonna make something.
Yeah, and then I realized I don't know how to use Godot. And learning it on an iPad is not good.
You're an iPad kid.
I'm an iPad kid. iPad baby.
Yeah, I remember one of my friends was like really big into Unity. It was the whole thing all day for work and personal projects, and like Unity was just blowing up left and right. And they're like, I really, really don't want to switch. I'd rather, it's what I know.
Oh, it's really neat.
It's not worth the effort. But they just spend a day in Godot and they hated every second of it. Then the second day in Godot, they were like, oh wait, I don't have to fight it every step of the way. Like the tools are actually things I actually want.
Yeah.
Oh, this is cool.
Yeah, so it's all ported to Xcode.
Yeah. Oh, it's all native.
It's all native. And it can
That's
handle like running, building, exporting.
Yeah. That's cool.
The only thing, like, there's a lot of plugins and assets that can't be
Yeah,
used
yeah,
because they have to
sure.
run like DLLs and whatever.
Yeah.
Um,
So Godot is how most of its plugins are just written in GD script. It's surprisingly portable.
Yeah.
I'm still figuring out how to get like touch controls working.
Yeah.
If you hit play, I've just got like
Oh, nice.
tilt, touch to pan and
Using
then
tilt controls.
pinch to zoom.
Yeah, there we go.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah, because I know by default I always just click like pretend touch as a mouse input, and the games just work out of the box. But if you're actually using it for its strengths,
Yeah.
and I love this game, Sphere Slider,
Yeah. Thanks,
Slide the
man.
sphere.
You're my first fans. Yes, yes, Godot fan.
Hell yeah.
I love the idea of tilt controls as well.
Yeah.
A lot on mobile. I think
Did you ever
When-
play that dancing game with two people have their
I
guns
watched
on?
Duncan play it, but
Ah,
I think I
I
played
used
it
to love that
once.
Also, I hope the streamer's enjoying the view of Sphere Slider. They'll never know what this is.
Yeah.
That's what you get on the test
It's
stream.
very early work in progress.
Orb moment.
I don't know how much they
Get
can see
straight
that.
Nice.
augmented.
Yeah, it's kind of.
May I augment the orb?
Sure.
I want to try this out.
Yeah, feel free
How do I leave the game? Am I trapped here forever?
That's a really good question.
It's a single use game.
I
see
can't see
where
what
it
you
was.
see, but you can swipe up from the bottom and
Oh, there's
the
a dot
very
on
the
this
far
guy.
left thing
Oh.
should be the little axolotl.
There we go. Go, go.
Should
Ooh.
be the game.
Oh,
then you can
it's a
stop.
cube now. In the editor, it's a cube, but in the game, it's
Yeah.
a sphere.
Yeah, no.
That I was not expecting
I
that.
don't know what I've done.
Okay, well that's.
I just love the concept of like, oh, I'm on a 1 hour train ride. Guess I'll start
Yeah.
chipping away at this game.
I mean, I also have had the thought occasionally, like, I would really love like a C-sharp little playpen on my phone to like do stuff. It's like, that's dangerous, I know.
Like getting ink or yarn on phone would be nice to like just make little narrative things.
I was, yeah.
I can't figure out how to augment the orb because it's a sphere, because it's a cube. I was going to try to find space on it.
Where is it?
Oh, sorry, microphone. I shouldn't have done that.
Oh, I know why there's an orb. I forgot that I did that.
Sorry,
the orb is
microphone.
not actually a node. It's a script.
Oh,
So I'm
why?
trying to figure out how to do dynamic mesh generation.
Oh, okay, that's fair.
On runtime.
Okay, that's fair.
So yeah,
On iPad.
I think
You
I
got
was
it.
yeah. I
This is
wanted
how
to
you
do
roll.
the like Super Mario 64.
Ah, just
thing
blob
with
it around.
touch and
Okay, that is
orbit
cool.
at the main menu.
Nice. Okay,
Um,
that makes sense. Because I was worried
yeah.
because a lot of people that have trouble going from Unity to Godot is that they try and re-implement everything because Unity gives you nothing. And it's
Right.
like, oh, and I've built my own event system, and now I've built this thing that generates the stuff. And it's like, you don't have to be doing this anymore. Just plop one in and move on with your life.
Yeah.
But no, that actually makes sense to be doing. So carry on.
Until 4.3, all the audio stuff was basically the same, other than that there is 2D in Godot, which I'm like, what? 2D exists?
Yeah,
It's not just 3D on the side.
it's nice.
So, yeah, but it was a bit of a mindfuck for me.
Yeah, because I don't really know any engine that's kind of hybrid 2D, 3D without just pretending to be 2D.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but otherwise, it was, yeah, almost, the audio was almost exactly the same.
Oh yeah.
Even having the same, like, you can't mix in real time, you can only see the levels in play and not in edit and shit like that. Or you
Yeah.
can't see levels at all.
Yeah.
Yeah. But that might be improved in 4.3, I'm not sure. I
Yeah.
haven't had a proper play.
Yeah. Because I like the direction it's going. Like I'm not the main audio person on Godot, but like seeing from the outside, it seems like it's got the bare bones, but the people building stuff, it's stuff that people actually want and use.
Yeah.
Which is good.
It is an
And-
advantage to making a game engine now and not
Yeah.
10 years ago.
Yeah. And it's all open source and stuff. Like it's nice to just like, yeah, I could just add this thing and someone else might need it. Yeah. It's good stuff. Good engine.
Yeah, I think just need to dedicate more time to it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's good. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's hard, like as the same thing I was saying, just it's hard enough to learn the equivalent engine tools. Like, okay, here's how rigid bodies go, here's how transforms go, but just the flow is like you don't have to build everything yourself. If you're building systems, you're not really doing it right. Like, events versus signals, and it's like it's not just translating how you work, but changing how you work to fit the engine.
Yeah.
And it's a double battle.
I think with Yarn, I really want to see if I can meld Yarn with Obsidian
Oh, yeah.
as like a narrative management tool. Because I know we were writing it in VS Code with that plugin, but I feel like an IDE isn't the way to go. We really want a writing tool. And the way Obsidian can like hyperlink things together might make it easy to manage in the long term. I'm curious if anyone's actually made a plugin already. But yeah, and then have that sync with the game file.
That's cool.
Not too hard to do, I think. Just like adding markdown.
Ooh, welcome Raiders.
We're getting rated?
Thanks,
Cephalon,
kids.
Cephalon Gideon. Hi, this is a test stream for Sabby. Currently doing a game jam where the person making the game is swapped out every 10 minutes
Hell yeah.
and nobody knows what's happened.
Don't know where we're up to.
How much time's left?
I don't know.
It's not. Nope. It has a button.
1 minute, 40 seconds.
Nice.
We're almost at the end.
Yeah.
Brandon, you'll be last.
I'll be last. Lucky last. I hope there's a game that I don't have to take it over the finish line.
I did not add
Get my
to
cube spawner
gameplay.
working.
Yeah. Oh hell yeah.
There's two things needed.
Nice.
What was something that you didn't have time to finish that you were desperately hoping to finish that you might get to now?
Cube
I'll-
spawner.
I was pretty satisfied with what I did. I don't really have. I set my sights very low, so it was easy to meet them. So I have no expectations.
Yeah.
But being lucky last, it means like, you know, it is what it is. So gotta have something kind of fun. We'll see.
And how are you feeling about Mazio
I'm just
contributions? Your
thinking now,
audio
like,
stuff?
it's annoying to not be able to mix. The last thing I really wanted to do was up the volume a lot of something that I had just put in. And I was like, oh, I'll just set it to 1.5 or 2 or whatever in the Unity audio source. But it just clamps to 1 and then
Oh,
the timer went
no.
off.
Oh.
What the
And I
heck?
was like, why would it clamp to 1?
Why would it clamp
That
to
doesn't
1?
make any sense.
Yeah.
Other than like, I guess I mean, in games, often you import your audio at the highest volume, and if you go any
Go down.
higher, then like it will clip, so you always go down.
Yeah.
But
Well, that's annoying. Like
Anyway.
it's a best practice to go down, but like the
Yeah.
engine shouldn't stop you from doing it. It's like I
Yeah.
need this now, even for testing or whatever.
I mean, it's just in editor, so
Time's up.
Enjoy!
yay, Brandon!
Anyone else have any last regrets? I can finish up for you.
Participating.
Yeah.
No.
But yeah, in like the full like the thing we do in front of people, I think 3 is maybe a good set of rounds, because then you can
Yeah.
do a like whoa, like get your bearings, and then an of like I'm going to try a thing, and then a okay, like
Yeah.
you like
Okay,
complete it.
cool.
Not for today, because it's like full.
I
But-
think it would be cool to get more people, like you were saying
Oh, yeah.
earlier, like 6
Ooh,
people.
yeah. And I would kind of be tempted to be like, yeah, 5 minutes, mate.
5.
Ah!
Good luck.
I was
5 minutes.
thinking 15.
Round and round, let's go.
Yeah,
I don't
like
think
maybe you need
We need the
15
clicky wheel
minutes.
to determine how many minutes you get in the scene.
Oh
Well,
no.
you roll a die.
Oh, 15.
No.
roll
Everybody
a
gets
D20.
1 hour, but they can divide it up how they want.
No, I don't want someone to be there for an
1
hour.
hour at the very end.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, you just get a D20.
Yeah, I think
That's your
D20
time.
is a fun
Yeah.
idea.
God, 1 minute.
Yeah, you get 2 minutes. Good luck.
Yeah, I think that would be cool. I'm
That
up
would
for
be kind of
D20.
fun, actually. I love the idea of you get 1 minute to cause as much mayhem.
Or
Okay.
to get a decent average, will we do 2d8?
I mean, maybe. Yeah. The chaos,
So
of,
that-
the,
that's
chaos
a
of the
minute.
D20 does
Yeah.
not lend itself to making a video game,
Yeah.
Mm.
So I don't like the
Yeah, that's a
idea of
good
giving
idea.
somebody 1 to 4 minutes.
but it is funny.
Because then you I don't imagine you
3d6
get-
is often used for like
Yeah.
character creation in D&D.
Okay.
Averages to like 10 minutes. But
Let's do 3D6.
It's not funny though.
you're right.
It's
We
less,
should
it's
do
less fun.
1d100.
Well, then that would be 10 though, wouldn't it?
Huh?
Don't D100s only go up by 10s anyway?
A
No.
D100
No,
rolls
you
between.
can find ones that
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
You roll
Proper D100.
2 D10s, and one is the tens unit, and one is the
yeah,
ones
sure.
digit. And then
I think
Yeah.
D20 is really funny.
I
Alright.
think D20 is
Yay.
It's like way more suspenseful as well.
Yeah.
I reckon, like, you get to roll 2 d20s, and you get to pick the higher or lower number, but you have to choose the opposite the next time that you do it.
Oh,
this is how we
there's so many
gamify.
rules, but this is funny.
This is how we gamify subscribers to Sabby, or donations to
Oh,
Sabby.
you choose
You get to
dice.
dictate what dice to roll,
Yeah.
Oh,
or can
yeah.
add extra time for somebody. I mean, that maybe
Each
adds to
donation
feel
cuts
bad.
1 minute out of my time.
No.
And gives it to someone else.
It's going to increase the length because we've got to. The more money they pay, the more torturous the endeavor.
Can we do like, you know how when someone subscribes, there's a little pop up like a toast
Yeah.
on the screen? Can we have it so there's a pop-up that appears on top of our screen while we're trying to make a game? like the Mario Kart in Splat,
Yeah.
you know.
That is.
Something that inverts your mouse.
I have a friend that has
Control A.
done something like that in the past. I could talk to him about it, but
Something that applies modifiers to all your keys for 10 seconds. It's like, it's either holding shift or control or alt.
Or
You can try clicking someone if you want.
they're QWERTY to like the other
Yeah,
European.
to Azerty.
Yeah, that's it.
It's like, it's almost right.
I think mirroring the screen is really good.
Oh, that is so good.
Because it's like you can still work with that.
That's fucking ripper.
Mirror mode game.
Yes. And then you have to play like that.
Yeah.
No, that is good. That is evil.
Because I know like with Tom Walker, he does like jump scare toasts and stuff.
Oh yeah. You just bring up the like girl from that maze.
Sure. Yeah.
Yeah,
It's like the one JPEG of The Exorcist.
Yeah.
Shoutouts to The Exorcist just playing on daytime TV in my high school.
Great.
They just had that on in the corner of the common room.
Whoa.
And it's like, this is just linked up to like SBS or whatever. It's like, it is 5 p.m. Huh? Very weird.
You gotta love SBS.
We do, in fact. Shoutouts their on-demand stuff. It's really good.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Watch cool, weird things for free.
Free with ads.
Yeah.
But aren't the ads just for more SBS things?
No,
What?
No,
Don't remember.
Oh.
it's not. It's for products. ABC ads are just for other ABC things, but they're only at the start and end. SBS ads are for products and random stuff.
Yeah.
And you'll see the same ad 6 times in one episode of something.
Yeah.
It's normally not supposed to happen. Like in the one commercial break, you shouldn't see the same ad all for the same product.
You definitely will get the same ad twice in one break as well
Yeah.
on the SBS on demand. Yeah.
Remember that happening with Crunchyroll many years ago. Monster Hunter Iceborne would come out and it would play the Monster Hunter Iceborne ad and then it would stop and buffer and it would play the
Yes.
Iceborne ad and be like,
I don't mind it. I'm like, I'm
I
not
mean,
going to complain
it
about
could be
ads.
way worse.
Yeah.
Uh,
It could be more ads.
yeah, they could be more accurate.
Yeah, they're not smart at all, the ads. Which is surprising that ads on streaming services don't seem to be algorithmically driven at
Well, they
all.
don't seem to have hooks into like whatever the like algorithm API is for the actual service itself. I
Yeah.
suspect probably for security reasons, but when has that ever stopped capitalism?
Mm.
Yes. Seeing ads for the show you're currently watching.
Yeah, it's like that's
Yeah.
really funny. How did like this should be one line of code
Yeah.
to like not
that
do
one
that?
for sure.
Like, come on, what are you doing?
After I bought our Wi-Fi router, all I got was targeted ads for more Wi-Fi routers.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
really good.
Yeah, because you after you buy one,
This
you're
is the
definitely
App
going to
Store
need
or
a
is
second,
This is
right?
the
Yeah.
App Store. This is not Godot. I'm looking for any 3D modeling tool that might be functional. And I can't find
Sculptress.
any. I don't
Isn't
wanna
that
s-
on-
I don't want to sculpt. There's Nomad Sculpt, which is like the really popular one.
That's
but
true.
it's-
Getting good geometry out of sculpting is what makes me want to touch it.
I just make corals.
I don't want to make characters. I want to make environments. And these tools are not set up for it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Trenchboot on web? Is it a web-based Trenchboot?
No.
Oh.
Has Apple made like a good game dev environment on iPad? Or any?
They haven't supported gaming developers
Yeah,
ever.
they still don't care about video games.
Yeah.
They like
weird.
paid Hideo Kojima to port Death Stranding to iOS.
That's so funny.
iOS.
It's $60.
Play
Whoa.
on your
You
motherfucking
can play it on your
iPhone.
iPhone.
Oh,
Hilarious.
That's 60 Australian dollars for.
Yes.
That's
Full price
cheaper
game.
than buying up a PC,
It is also
right?
10 times
Pretty
more
funny.
expensive than the next most expensive mobile game.
Oh, yes.
So good. That's so good. Just fucking makes me laugh every time.
Yep, that's what
And how does it run? Is it okay?
I
assume it
haven't
runs
bought
at
it.
30.
Yeah, $60. There it is.
Looks like motherfucking Death Stranding.
No,
2
man.
minutes.
I mean-
If you buy it on
Computers.
iOS, then can you play it on
No.
macOS?
You can play it on
Oh.
macOS, yeah.
That's
The
good.
purchases do carry across. Which
That's
is
good.
kind of neat. Gamepad recommended, which means that it is
Whoa.
playable fully on
Without-
touch controls.
Yeah, that's cool. Are those screenshots from inside?
I think
playing
legally
on
they have to
iOS?
be.
Okay.
Yeah. I mean,
There are,
Yeah, I think
there,
the
there are
renders are
iPad
great.
aspects.
it's a game. And honestly, this has a, what does this have? An M2, M3
Oh
chip?
yeah. It's
Like,
got the
This is
same
as
new
powerful
Apple chip.
as, you know, a like lowest end MacBook Pro, which is stupid.
Yeah, it is completely wild to me that like Apple stuff is just like
This much.
we've put $1 billion dollars into making the most powerful baby cot.
It's also still a 50 gigabyte game.
That's really funny.
So,
Whoa.
I don't know what else you'll be able to keep on this phone.
Yeah, how
What is
big
the
is the
device?
operating system nowadays?
Yeah.
1 minute.
And then that's it, game reveal. We all try to pile onto the couch for game reveal.
I'm fine with trying to pile onto the couch. I'll sit
Break the
between the
couch.
window and the couch.
You'll do the stream things.
Yeah.
Game reveal screen.
Like, surely this can't be profitable to port anything to iOS.
I'm kind of
Right?
excited
Unless
to see
unless you're porting like literally
Yeah.
like slot machines. Like,
It has 31 reviews,
that's
Whoa.
which is
none.
pathetic
Yeah.
for
Yeah.
a mobile game.
Bizarre.
Yeah.
What game?
Death Stranding is ported to iOS
What does director's cut mean?
10. It means it's missing the.
That's also a very good
sponsored,
question because
product placement.
Really?
Which
Yeah,
IMO
that's a
it
removal.
makes it worse.
Yeah.
Because the original one
I like Monster
time up
Energy.
That's
had
it.
your beverage whenever you drank anything was
Yeah.
Monster Energy drink. And I thought it
That's
ruled.
hilarious. Yeah.
And then in the director's cut they took that out. I was like, what the fuck is the point? This is so funny.
But they
Okay,
did add
everyone.
PS5 DualSense support for Windows, which I think is cool.
Monster Energy.
Alright, we've made a game.
We made the game.
Congratulations.
Yeah.
Every pony.
I fixed your right click.
Thank you.
I didn't add
Cool.
text though, so it may as well not exist.
Yeah, that's fine.
All right. So,
Does the stream have game audio? I don't actually know.
Yep.
Cool.
I made sure of that when I added it. Yeah.
who wants
Do
to
you
wear the
wanna,
headphones,
like-
if anyone?
I've actually never put them on.
Play it out of the
Oh, you've
thing.
been missing out.
I've been missing out.
I know.
Yeah. So,
I'm so offended.
Should be.
cool. Let's have a look.
Do you want to sit here?
Am I? Alright, am I too tall?
Yeah.
Nice.
Cool. And I'm gonna turn off.
Ah, cool. We'll get all
Just turn them
together.
all on.
As much feedback as we can.
All things on.
Am I going to get deafened?
Double mics.
Oh.
Oh, that's good. That's good stuff.
Whoa.
wow.
It's quite a soundscape.
I feel so immersed.
Okay. All
Couldn't tell
right.
if you wanted it to spawn from the camera or the player.
I did want it to spawn
Ah!
from the camera. I think it spawns from the middle of the
Oh my
world.
god.
Yeah,
Wait.
no, I changed it so it spawns the camera's origin.
Yeah, okay.
But I thought I was on the player script, so it came out of the camera instead of the player.
Yeah.
I was like,
Oh my god.
this is weird, but
Yeah.
okay.
This is the first time that I've been able to move.
Yeah, I could shoot before.
Zach, I had no idea it was click and hold. I just kept clicking.
It wasn't clicking on.
I changed it.
Oh.
Yeah, Reddit changed it.
I
That's
love
weird.
that red
It's
spotlight
good 'cause
stays
it-
on the
it
center.
Took away the input problem.
I can't isolate a single sound.
Yes, I love that you
Ah!
can shoot the Brandon's over.
Yeah.
Still going.
I added
Amazing.
Oh, you added a death plane, like a respawn
Ah,
plane?
great.
God bless.
yeah.
Amazing work.
Yeah. So, yeah. Recycling is everyone needs to swap the headphones and the controller.
You can't just play it out of the
Yeah.
speakers?
What speakers?
That doesn't have speakers?
No.
We probably could, maybe at the monitor, but like the microphone would have a bad time.
Yeah.
It would just turn on the screen.
Yeah.
Good.
Are they getting audio from us now?
Yeah, they're
Leave
getting.
the mic over there.
No, the microphone's right here. I think everyone should be able to hear us.
Nice.
Hello.
Don't put it in your mouth. That's for the after dark.
Wait. Does it? So, oh, okay, right. I understand. I understand what's happening.
Yeah, go over the edge again.
Yeah, I don't know how the Doppler happened. I think this is part of the engine. I couldn't
It
see
is part of the engine,
Yeah, I was
yeah.
like,
Yeah,
wow, this is some
I
advanced
always turn it
stuff.
up.
Oh, you did?
Yeah,
Nice.
I like to turn it up.
We should restart it so we can have a fresh set of guys to.
Okay.
The momentum
So good.
sustains.
I thought about clearing the momentum, but it's like you kind of got yourself
That's
into
so
this mess.
funny, yeah.
Wow. Where is? Oh god. Yeah, I just wanna get these numbers. You know.
The first game spawn or they all start chattering.
Oh!
I copy pasted so many guys. Like just the more the merrier.
That's awesome.
That's why, because I only put audio on 3 of the guys.
Ah, I put them on all of them. Well, now it's on all of them, I think.
Okay, cool. Where?
What are these glowing sticks protruding out of the cube? Like, what's going on?
Oh, that is.
That's a particle effect?
That's a particle effect. That's a
Okay.
trail coming out of
I see.
it. Oh.
Yeah.
You got some air, and now you've got. Oh.
Where's gravity? Isn't your mass supposed to be 100? Or maybe that's why, because you've got so much force behind you and you're so heavy that the
Do you want to
momentum
go
just
on
keeps
the
it
mouse?
No, someone else can have the sound.
I haven't had the sound in a while, so I'm gonna.
Nice.
Please take control.
Yes. Jeebus, take the wheel.
This means on the real Sabby stream we have to make a better game.
What?
Better than this.
Why are you adding rules?
Well, by better I mean worse, of course.
Did you know next time where all of our time is going to be dictated by every time?
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
Well, we're 1 minute.
Yep.
20 minutes. I don't know if it's blessing or a curse.
Oh.
You really wanted that to work.
I just wanted the ability to spawn a million little stupid fucking things.
I saw that there's a script on the like delete after time, and then I opened it and it was empty. I was like, oh. I noticed at the last second. Oh, we just keep the cleaning part. Like no, the intention was there.
No intention.
That's perfect. I thought about adding a comment that just said nah instead of
Yeah. Well, so when I was thinking about it, I was thinking about like if I was going to come back, would I finish it? And then I was like, no, it's way funnier to be able to crash the game by spawning a trillion objects. Why would I bother finishing it?
Yeah.
Also, what on earth is happening with the the mouse to screen point thing?
No idea.
Play maximized. Is it? It is a full screen problem. Thank you, Unity. There we go. Very good. Oh, I should have turned the friction up on the character as well.
I mean, so much airtime it barely even does anything.
Yeah, because it doesn't map the pointer's position in the game screen. It's
No.
the monitor
It's the monitor screen.
Oh,
Yeah.
right.
game's somewhere else.
Yeah. It's very,
All the
very silly.
I thought about adding like a bowling pin sound effect for
Yeah.
the guys.
Yeah.
That's almost too
Yeah.
Or only we had the Hollywood.
Hollywood Edge Premiere
obvious.
Edition.
You
Oh,
know,
it's gone weird again.
They have like all the sounds we need.
Yeah, I think Zach has all the sounds we need.
No, I didn't want to use pre-made sounds.
Yeah, I'm glad that the
Yeah,
soundscape we've created is really nice.
It's really good.
If you want to listen to your beautiful music
I've
once
listened
more
to
time.
it. It's perfect.
These are so good.
The question I asked was, given enough time, is there something that you would like to add to this?
I would make the cubes bigger and
The-
heavier and faster.
The ability to rotate the camera.
I feel
Yeah.
like every time I sat back at the desk, everything scaled up 10 times.
That's so awesome.
Everything just kept getting so big.
Also, I would love to be able to put like a bit of a fog effect in it and a few other things.
A different sky, maybe.
Yeah.
That's easy enough.
Havoc figures.
Havoc Figic!
I would like to sculpt an actual terrain to navigate.
But unfortunately, the producers have spoken, and we must.
Yeah, we
ship
must
this
ship.
product.
Yeah.
That's it, it's done.
This is the minimum.
Put it
viable
on the
product.
The
Atari.
gamers will love it.
Still more fun than some games.
Yeah.
More playable than, you know, most AAA games that have come out in the past couple of years.
Yeah, much play. Much
Oh,
play is
yeah.
happening.
Nice.
Is there after this experience, is there something that you want to go and like do more of to up your skills or to refresh on things that you thought you?
I want to lower my skills.
The thing that I want to do is more of this, like the ability to jump into engine and just futz.
Yeah. And I love it. Part of that is just grabbing something you know you can do.
Yeah.
Oh,
If I had the latest version of Audacity on my home computer, I would not have wasted so much time.
Yeah.
Because it's all just hidden. Everything's hidden away now.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's frustrating.
And here's a question. We have a lot of feedback on this experience. Do we have feedback on like the production aspect? Like this was for a test stream. What did we learn for like the real stream?
well, we learned that there's a few things, like we want to get the producer center going. We want to be able to get.
We want to activate Windows.
Nah. Yeah.
Nah, it's funnier if your.
Oh, no, I fully agree, yeah.
Yeah.
We learned that one mic is better than two mics.
One
Yeah.
mic is better than two mics.
Move the
Screen
camera.
timer.
Move the camera for the table setup.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mic placement, and we got some feedback on like being able to
Levels.
hear from stuff.
Which would
So
have helped
if there was
we
a
had the
producer
Yeah.
hearing it, they could monitor and control that a bit more.
Yeah.
Do any of our lovely
Crash
stream
the
audience
game.
people have any feedback?
Yeah.
It's like 10 of you there. We're just kind of here doing our thing, but like, you're enjoying this. How would you like it to be seen?
I think a fair amount of them might be in working mode, which means that they're not actively at a keyboard.
Or it's like all of us just kind of tuning in, so it's like.
Oh yeah, there's
One.
Oh, no one put a light in this scene.
What?
Yeah.
No, I took the light out.
Oh, okay. That would explain why everything is just the ambient light.
If there was a countdown timer on the screen, I'd be
Yeah.
happy to
Yes.
put
I've got that.
Sure, yeah.
Neil.
I've got that in my whiteboard.
Nice.
My notebook.
And all of these notes are written down somewhere? Got a lot of them.
Well, they're recorded in the VOD.
You have like the camera stuff there.
No, that's actually.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I don't have it in my-
Yeah,
we
written
talked
down.
about that once the stream's out.
I'm glad you have those.
I've got.
Hell yeah. I think it was very successful.
Yeah, this is great.
Yeah.
Good.
Actually, one more thing. Is there any more stream engagement? 'Cause this is very kind of just us by ourselves doing a thing. But like this chat or like, I guess it's just chat to you on your stream. But like,
I would love to have chat discrete from here, like projected on a wall or something, so that
Yeah.
everyone can see it at all times.
yeah, 'cause that's the thing.
That's a good idea.
Instead of relying on phones.
Yes.
Yeah, like I even had it on my phone, but I wouldn't even read it very much. And like the chat, the engagement, they're not just watching us; they're part of it. So
Yeah.
really, it takes a lot of effort to pull them into the room.
Yeah, because the only time I was actually reading chat was when I was sitting at the chat, which is kind of what I shouldn't be doing.
Yeah, no, you just shouldn't see it at all.
I
If
think
you're...
I think OBS ideally shouldn't be there, and we could have a second screen for like coding and documentation and whatever.
Yeah.
On the other hand, if chat's like, "Oh, put a cube in" or something, like, that'll be nice to do.
Well, I think that's when the hosts can be like, chat says put a cube in, and you can be like,
Yeah, sounds good.
I think it would be good to brainstorm ways that subscriptions can impact.
Yeah.
Do you think we could like have a few rounds by default, but then for each person that subscribes, we like add another go on the hot seat? Not each, but like
Oh.
Well, see,
we can
we
like
just
keep it
did.
perpetual. For,
Fuck.
We have done a 2 hour sprint.
yeah.
Mm.
I mean that would not
And
with the
it's
time.
a 3 hour block.
Right.
Oh, what's on after? Let's see.
Literally,
Because if we just
if we just make the entire
It's
day
like
hot
the
seat,
last thing in the day. And people can like leave if they want.
oh,
But I kind of love the idea of like, oh, another
Another person.
subscriber, another 20 minutes.
Yeah.
yeah.
Another thing though is it's and this stream, unlike normal Twitch subscriptions, our subscriptions are like pretty, well, quite order of magnitude more expensive.
Exactly, and you,
So
it's only one per person as well.
yeah. So unless we have like I know donation incentives and stuff isn't really what we care about for something like this, but just anytime someone does subscribe, it's gonna be like kind of rare but very big. So like
We should
it's
all
like
be clapping and hooting and
Yeah,
hollering.
exactly. It's like someone dedicated signing up.
Yeah.
Like a subscription could be like now like half hour or something, like or an hour, or even that's my ballpark's completely random, but like
Mm.
I don't know.
Another round of everybody.
Yeah, like if it's just like another 5 minutes, like that's enough like a normal Twitch stream, but this is much more than that.
That's fine, man. You don't need to do it.
Or maybe,
You could just leave.
yeah, I think we
You can hit the bricks.
Yeah, everybody needs to be able to leave, but that just means that they need to give their dice to somebody else that's here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and plus I think the stream, the subscription benefits are just kind of a fun bonus. It's a celebration. No one's really going to be enticed to subscribing, I think.
That's really
do
true.
this. Yeah.
Yeah. It's more of the stream is more of a reminder to
Yeah,
subscribe.
the call to action. Like it's now, and if you do it, we'll cheer your name and have a funny thing as a reward. But
There was legitimately something that was said, and I went and I sat down here to write it down.
Anything
no,
you
It
can
was,
do that?
yeah.
hell yeah,
Camel.
nice.
It was beautiful. I'm really amazed that this hasn't crashed.
Well, you can handle as many
The only
objects as
thing
you
I
want.
want to do is it like smart enough to be like, oh, this object is at rest?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that'll be it.
Yeah, like only a few of them will actually be active, but I've thrown a bunch of them into the void, and I have no idea how it handles objects being thrown into the void. I assume if they leave the like far clipping plane,
I think
that.
it's simulating them.
that it then just turns them off?
Playing by default. I don't think you
Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
Should we stop the stream?
Guess so.
I think we can stop the stream.
Bye everyone.
Bye, nerds.
Goodbye.
Let's hit this button.
Stop streaming.
Bye.
Okay, but that's not all. I think we might still be streaming on YouTube. You can mosey past.
Another thing to write down is the stream overlay and donation stuff.
Yeah, that's.
Yeah, that's on the plan already, but yeah, so we don't need to write it down. At least helping. I think at least doing that, but I got nothing else to do, so I'll also help out with that.
Awesome. Has it been nice working with Ellie?
I haven't directly worked with them at all. I just pushed it out to the void, and then she just made something with it.
Yeah.
But it'd be nice to have some actual.
It's been kind of cool seeing both your bits like
Yeah.
come together.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It's good.
Yeah, I think so.
I mean,
Very generous. Thank you, Brandon.
just enjoyed having fun with it.